Okay.
गाइस इतना मेहनत करके ये माइक लाने का क्या फायदा अगर मैं 1,000 रुपए के ईयरफोन्स पे पॉडकास्ट करूंगा.
तूने नजर लगा दिया dude.
Fair
You
enough.
know what he sounds like? He sounds like, you know, the guy who announces the train at the other station.
अरे but woman was announcing.
No,
This sounds like Kautuk before he got the SM50.
प्लेटफॉर्म क्रमांक 4 पर आने वाली लोकल चर्च गेट के लिए 12 डिब्बों की 23
That-
लोकल है.
no, Baba, that's too
अंधेरी
clear.
जैसे बांद्रा से दादर, दादर से मुंबई सेंट्रल के बीच किसी स्थानों को पर नहीं रुकेगी.
This.
That kharoch in the
exact.
mic is so
Yeah.
great, dude.
Yeah.
On that note, let's begin this episode. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Set. So, a show where we take random interesting stats, facts, trivia, and our personal stories and we talk about it. And today's episode is on Bollywood stereotypes. Fuck.
Very
Yeah.
nice.
Boom.
Very
Thank
good.
you, Sai Service.
Well done.
हाँ तो Bollywood stereotypes. बताइए.
Oh, I have
पहला
one.
st-
I
हाँ.
have one. My favorite stereotype is where Varun Thakur auditions for movies and doesn't get them.
That would make 120 movies slash shows slash ads slash web videos I have auditioned
That
for.
all ends with नहीं हम pregnant हैं.
But I think we did a sketch on stage about this also. Where I think Varun, you were the sister. You were the hero sister who just gets progressively.
No, the sketch was Bollywood supporting actresses through the ages. So there was in the 60s what would happen, the 70s, the 80s. It's the stereotypes of Bollywood side actresses. So they're not the lead, but so एक पे थी obviously in all the 60s she is the बिन ब्याई बहन जो घर पे. 70s the Thakur of the village was after her or some shit like that it was.
You know, back in the day, they used to use the बहन as the inciting incident. कि बहन का शादी करना है या बहन को किसी ने छेड़ दिया है और फिर बदला लेना है, and that was basically where the movie started.
Yeah, and the funny joke, I remember Grover had written this, is like in the 90s Bollywood supporting actress was Deepak Tijori's girlfriend.
Always.
which is so bang on. क्योंकि ऐसे 90s और Bollywood supporting actress दिमाग में आया तो दीपक तिजोरी की girlfriend always.
And you know, in the 90s and 80s specifically, there was this one very cool trope where they used to portray anyone who was bad as being Western culture influenced. Right?
Yeah.
So they would be wearing like mini skirts, be riding in cars, and refer to their father as Daddy.
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 No, DEDDY, okay? Not Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy.
The thing about the other thing about any stereotype that they sort of did, and they did this with a lot with like I'm going to use this word with air quotes, okay? Vamps. They did a lot of this with vamps where either they were just like cruel people that wore saris with big bindis and loud makeup, or
No, that's Komolika. That's in.
That's
it. But that's
a soap opera vamp.
But it came from movies. It started off in the
so I'm
movies.
saying you look at I mean
Hum Aapke Hai Kaun.
you look at even like Hum Aap, like you know when Bindu wore that and she became whatever.
Hum Saath Saath Hain.
So you look at no, but I'm talking about even before that. Like if you look at like Khoon Bari Mang, right? Or you, which
The OG.
let's be honest, OG.
Yeah, that crocodile was a great vamp.
Crocodile. The bindi that crocodile wore. My God.
OG vamp movie.
But you know, Helen was always classified as a vamp, right? In the 80s or the 70s wala movies.
Yeah, but before that she was supposed to be the shill, right? Like before that she was always considered to be.
She was the original item girl, right? Like that's where, and she was like, वो हर movie में वही करेगी. Like she was Rakhi Sawant before Rakhi Sawant.
Yeah, but no, it
but
was
classier.
much
She
classier.
was the Johnny Lever. She was the Johnny Lever of item song. That's
Dude,
what
Johnny
it was.
Lever, what a career he carved out of just like
Being a teetotaler.
Johnny Lever, apart from being the funniest man in Bollywood, also was the lead actor in a movie where he was not the lead actor because the scripts were written in a way where एक linear script लिखा है
Correct.
और उसके बाजू में एक separate film चल रही है.
Short film.
Correct.
And in that film, Johnny Lever is the lead.
Correct.
And he would slam it because a lot of the things he's doing there. many times didn't have any correlation to your actual plot.
Dude, in one movie, he has played a Sardar where he comes out of a rickshaw going tunak tunak tun tunak tunak tun tunak tunak tun da da da. That's his entire.
Yeah, it's a Govinda movie where he gets kidnapped. No, Govinda movie, Govinda gets kidnapped and he asks Johnny Lever to help him. And Johnny Lever's entire character in that is a parody of Dalar Mehndi.
Yeah. One sec, isn't it Love के लिए कुछ भी करेगा? In which he does this.
Love के लिए कुछ भी करेगा.
Yeah, I think it's Love के लिए. Just check, baby.
He is a bhai in that. Yeah, he's a regular bhai in that.
Yeah, he's Aslam bhai in that. He's Aslam bhai.
Yeah,
Aslam
the
bhai.
one that I remember the most, like where you realize that like this guy actually helped everybody. Me and my sister were sitting and watching Khiladi on a Sunday.
Oh, dude, ये मेरे छोटे-छोटे बच्चे.
हाँ.
मेरा पोड़ा. Dude, it was ये clearly लिखा नहीं है script में.
Improvise.
बाजीगर
उसने बस बोला अगर मेरे को 8 बच्चे लाके खड़े करो लाइन में और बच्चे को लाइन में खड़े करो और एक को ऐसे टाइपराइटर की तरह घुमाएगा बच्चे को.
Dude, अनारकली का फोन था.
आइसक्रीम खाना जरूरी है.
Is the best line in Bollywood ever written, but it's improvised.
Yeah, which is also Abbas Mastan movie. Abbas Mastan का ये होता था, एक मूवी चल रही है और साइड में जॉनी लीवर का एक पैरेलल ट्रैक चल रहा है. And both Khiladi and Bazigar were Abbas Mastan.
And in Bazigar, the thing that he does where he starts off with Anjali का फोन था, सीमा मिम साहब के बारे में कुछ जरूरी बताना है. टू अंजलि का फोन था, आइसक्रीम खाना जरूरी है.
अनारकली का फोन था.
अनारकली का फोन था, आइसक्रीम खानी जरूरी है. That transition, just it's fucking genius.
No, there's that scene. The same movie has another scene where again Johnny Lever का separate track is that he is the head of the domestic helps, but he himself is very underqualified.
And he's also forgetful.
That's the main thing. तो salt के इसमें शक्कर डाल देता है, शक्कर में salt डाल देता है. तो he decides there's a रिश्ता that has come for Kajol.
चाय मैं बनाऊंगा.
हाँ, and he decides मैं चाय बनाऊंगा. वो पूरा scene is the funniest because so you might be in the worst mood in your life. You watch that scene and it's impossible to not laugh.
Yeah. चाय की पत्ती, वो चाय की पत्ती भूल गया है ब्रो.
और सिर्फ नमक डाला चाय में और वो दिनेश हिंगू,
लेकिन वो
दिनेश हिंगू बोलता है बड़े लोगों की चाय पीजा
चुपचाप पीजा फटाफट.
But the door that opened from the center, it was that Ajib Darwaza. You clearly know this wasn't scripted. It's just they got to set and Johnny Bhai is like, "Ye darwaza."
No, I'm sure it was. I'm sure the door was there and he looked at it and he said, "We'll do it." मैंने निकाल दिया उसको बाहर और वो खुद दरवाजे के बाहर खड़ा है. But speaking of another Johnny Whiskey, who was a teetotaler. If you guys. Yeah, the guy who used to play the drunkard everywhere.
Bro, Johnny Walker.
Johnny Walker.
I was like, what?
Johnny Walker. But Whiskey is the Walker.
That was his nickname.
Yeah, his nickname was Johnny Whiskey. Na? So Johnny Walker himself, he was a teetotaler dude, and he used to nail it. Yeah. But I think when
तो केशव मुखर्जी था ना, लेकिन
वो सब थे.
सब लोग.
केशव मुखर्जी यूज, हाँ.
सर
जो चाची 420 में भी है ना, जो मेकअप करता है. वो तो केशव मुखर्जी है ना.
Why is your Kesto Mukherjee what is his name? जैसा जीवाते जीव गुड मड़ा फेलो. अरे अपना पानी ठेम ठेम दादा कौन के. This thing is दादा कौन के dude. अच्छा, okay, no, wait 1 minute. When we're talking about Bollywood, we should also talk about the egregious nature of Bollywood, right? Like just like this, the egregious nature of how Bollywood stereotypes perpetrated the sentiment with this whole like extra macho, ultra macho boys, ladke rote nahi hai nonsense and all of that in the 70s, right?
I think Deepak Tijori was breaking those stereotypes by just inhaling Vicks through most of the movie. Deepak Tijori, and dude, I am just bringing Khiladi up again. You start watching him in the same frame as Akshay Kumar, you realize how much of a better actor Deepak Tijori was in his first movie with this guy as opposed to Akshay Kumar. Like Deepak was really out. So is that side actor always like it's always been the better actor and the lead?
But you always needed to be because the hero was stardom, no? I mean, and then you always needed.
But your fold has to be that type, right? I mean, again, if you go by Bollywood stereotypes, your hero's best friend would be a slightly plumpish dude who says funny things. You know, like he has bad luck with the girls. You know, like
today.
Yeah, they used to do the same thing for girls. Like girls, like in the late 80s, early 90s, lead actress की best friend होती थी गुड्डी मारुति.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? They would have that sort of a very distinctive fold, so that your lead person obviously like comes out a lot more.
Who, by the way,
At
looks
the
exactly
expense
the
of
same.
Yeah, but also it was
Fred.
It was completely wrong, right? Because also I think they needed to build that contrast, because it was either you were completely right or completely wrong. Either you were extremely gorgeous or you were extremely not. Either you got all the dudes or you didn't get all the dudes. You know, it was always
Polarizing,
that.
extreme polarizing, huh?
You know something? One other thing that has changed radically in Bollywood over time is that in the 70s and 80s, right, there was this focus on poverty, or like even before that, like there was the poverty was the lead role of the movie, right? Like I was seeing Amar Akbar Anthony, dude. The
We were
first
talking
30
about it, right?
minutes,
We were
the
talking
first
about
30
that.
minutes of Amar Akbar Anthony is tragedy. माँ अंधी हो जाती है, बच्चे बिछड़ जाते हैं, बाप जेल जाता है, like
3 बच्चे को छोड़ के चला जाता है, bro, गार्डन में
खुदकुशी करने जाती है. It's crazy, it's damn sad, and it's just poverty, right? And all of this used to be the thing, right? Ki the hero used to come from the basti, and then he used to become the rich dude.
For that whole angry young man phase. Came from there, right?
Correct. But and then gradually in the 90s, right, the hero started becoming like this NRI dude or a urban dude or like a rich dude, and poverty started becoming sidelined, like to the point
Until
where when
Anurag
Gully Boy
Kashyap
comes
came.
out in 2019 or 2018, when Gully Boy comes out, it's like, wow, what? There are these lives. That's how far we had gone.
No, that you got back with Slumdog. That's a race
I was just about to say.
There was always one sec. Let's remember there was a second parallel track of cinema that always existed, which would do the reality of it. Because at some point, Bollywood went from the place that depicted real life issues to fantastical solutions, whether it was Andha Kanoon, Aakhri Rasta, any of those, Amitabh Bachchan, Diwar, Shakti, Sholay, Zanjeer, all of those. If you look at that, or even if you do the whole like Rajesh Khanna, the Aradhanas of the world, before that, if you do the Teesri Manzils or whatever, with Shashi Kapoor, but Shami Kapoor, sorry. But I'm saying when that moved away, you still had an entire Sham Benegal, Meera Nair doing Salam Bombay.
Correct, but the difference is it went from mainstream to the parallel.
To art to parallel cinema.
Right.
Correct, correct.
And
like
even today, today, now you have the new trend is small town India, right? The Bareilly ki Barfi, all of those things, right? Suddenly those stories have become more interesting. बीच में पूरा था कि urban stories, सारे वो सब Rahul Raj, ये सब like.
No, so that's what came with the Yash Raj and the Dharmas, where you started looking at the more cooler aspirational side. I still remember, dude, I went to watch DDLJ in the theater. मैं मेरे cousins सब थे. We all wanted to wear that leather jacket with that printed shirt inside with the thing, looking at because it started becoming
what does
super
Vicky
cool.
do that only, no?
Huh?
Vicky is that only.
Yeah, correct. But Vicky is an even hyper version of what
banjo.
Right? Like you look at the DDLJ, Dil To Pagal Hai, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. These three movies in specific, and a Mohabbat, okay, which came from like a 95 to 2000. Tera lead actor wo ban gaya tha phir.
Correct. And in Mohabbat, I just want to point out, if you just see Mohabbat, and I'm sorry, but I was watching it some time back. If you look at the whole film, Shah Rukh's advice to all three boys is, so what if she loves someone else, or if she doesn't love you, go after her. Fuck, that's the whole film. The whole film is chase after her despite her saying no. And the whole film is inappropriately touch her, catch her, beat her.
Prashasan, Anushasan.
The whole film is Shah Rukh basically saying...
You had one job to just rip off Dead Poet Society, and you don't manage to do that correctly.
So I'm saying the whole movie is that, and it's really scary to a point where the only place where consent is flipped, where don't fucking fuck with me, is Archana Puran Singh and Anupam Kher's track, where Archana Puran Singh fucking bajaos him every time he tries to propose.
I also feel like,
but dude, like at that point
like
of time,
Preeti Jhangiani is married, dude, and this guy's like, no, she's not, just go after her. Means? Like I don't know.
No, her husband is dead or something, no?
Hey, but
Baba haven't found the body.
Baba, to be fair, okay, this is a guy who's in love with a fucking ghost. Okay, so if death doesn't stop him, I don't think a marriage will. Okay,
yes.
So
Well said.
If that is your justification for it, but sure.
It is a
Correct.
very right justification.
No, but that's also a thing to do with the times, right? Times now have changed. Now the depiction of
now it's Republic TV.
like no, not like that, bro. In the sense that you look at your stories earlier, you think people were giving a fuck about, oh, is this politically correct? Oh, that's not how you're supposed to be.
No, of course
behave.
not.
No, I'm telling you, like in at that point of time, Bollywood has always perpetuated the stereotype of, अरे लड़की के पीछे जाके डांस करो, लड़की को ये करो, उसको छेड़ो, वो ना बोलेगा तुम परस्यू करोगे, इवेंचुअली तो लाइक कब तक रूठेगी, चीखेगी, चिल्लाएगी, दिल कहता है हसीना मान जाएगी. Like these four encapsulates all of Bollywood lead actors.
खंबे जैसी कड़ी है, झोला है पुल, which is basically how the fuck you say no. The लाल दुपट्टे वाली तेरा नाम तो बता is nothing but an Eve teasing song. So yeah, I mean we've lived that.
Dude,
we've
it
gone
was
through
all
that
summed up in a line that kept coming in every movie, right?
तो हाँ नाम ही है.
Yes, the classic advice. नाम
Yeah.
है, meaning that's fundamentally comprehension is very weak.
Oh yeah, but across the board, I mean, even if you look at the stereotyping of villains, right? Like I think the villains went from unbelievable.
See, your first villain was girl's dad, straight up. Because again, it's always the disparity is boy poor, बस्ती में रहता है, एक कॉलेज जाता है, वहां पर एक नखरे वाली लड़की होती है क्योंकि वो बहुत रिच है, and she is somehow enamored by his charm because he doesn't give her the same bhav that the other tools in the college are giving her. ये होके प्यार होता है, बाप disagrees because obviously he has to tell his बेटी प्रीति कि उन्होंने उसकी शादी उनके बचपन के दोस्त सिंगानिया के बेटे विक्की से कर दी है. Like bro, एक टाइम के बाद you're just like you can finish the lines, you can finish their lines. मैंने अपने बचपन के दोस्त सिंघानिया के साथ.
The writer was like, it's just they also were having fun. The writers were clearly they had a sense of humor about it.
No.
Especially with like a
no, I think that's us like reaching.
We are over.
To find some meaning in that.
Yeah, too much credit.
I think they didn't have time. That's what I think happened.
Yeah.
No, I think script pages got lost. Like in page 54 is the same in all films.
1 second.
No
One
scripts,
second,
no
Baba, you
scripts,
said script pages.
But
What
Ladki
do
Ka
you
Baap, the Ladki Ka Baap one, the most famous one that has etched in my memory. What was that movie? Is it Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak, where Amir Khan marries this girl and the father is stuck behind a glass and he's staring at them. You've not seen this.
It is not. It is Dil.
Dil.
Saeed Jafri is marrying is Madhuri Dixit's dad, and he's standing and he's going.
And it's the first time you saw Bencho being said on TV.
I don't remember this.
Virat Kohli.
He says and goes full on, like just the audio is cut and you can see Saeed Jafri go. And Amir Khan fere le raha hai. It was the funniest thing.
In the scene where Amir is marrying Madhuri, dude, in that little room, and Saeed Jafri is on this side of it, and he's screaming in Dil. That's in Dil also, dude. His threat was rape, dude.
Yeah.
She threatens him with rape, says that you try to rape me or whatever. Then the next day he takes her into a hut and says, see, this is what rape really means, and then walks away. In Dil, guys, you don't remember this, and then Madhuri falls in love with him, saying he had the opportunity to rape me, but he didn't rape me.
Oh, that's
wow.
That's barest minimum.
No, but that's
if there was any scene for a film that classified under the statement highly problematic and hasn't aged well.
Because right before that, Madhuri Dixit has accused Amir Khan of rape, and Amir Khan has been suspended from college.
Yeah.
When he hasn't done anything.
I mean, that's the minimum that should have happened to him, if not jail.
Correct. No. This is before the actual scene.
Oh.
So she
Amir
revenges
it. So Amir avenges the scene like that. So there was that sort of when I was talking about villains, right? Like if you look at what the villains were, they became very first the villains were Heroine Ka Baap type versions, and then they went into fantastical villains that
the guy
couldn't
has
exist, right?
the nuclear bomb and will destroy India.
I'm saying, even if you look at Shakal, which was
but you start them way back, right? You start Sholay. Like once
then you go before. That's what I was
a villain like Gabbar created. Every film's benchmark for villain becomes that. right? So then it became like, oh, this either a quirky या कुछ तो एक तकिया कलाम होगा हमेशा villain के पास, over the top dressing, you know, like India में तू like शाकाल plus tank है जिसके अंदर shark है.
Correct. इसके लिए शार्क काल है.
Best first pun in Bollywood.
No, but also, you know, like this my father was telling me, in fact, 2 days ago. He's like, you know why I have a bar in the house? And I said, why? He's like, because every movie I used to watch, right, there used to be a bar at the back, right? It was a mirror wala bar with daru ka bottles. And he's like,
and I'll tell you the most iconic painting behind that bar would be those 4 horses running together, right? And that house is in Juhu next to Motu and it's owned by a Sardar.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fun fact.
Just so let me finish my arc of Bollywood villains. So no, it didn't just come with Gabbar, because during that whole 70s and 80s era also, then it became politicians with like Aakhri Rasta, where it was Sadashiv Amrapuri.
Pehle zamindar.
Zamindar, tere gaon ka thakur, like it was literally bad.
You know,
it was all of these things till it then became common people and stuff like that. But dude, 2 of my favorite villains I just want to talk about, just names and characteristics. Okay, the first one is a villain, and obviously I'm saying it ironically. First one is in Silsila Hai Pyar Ka, Danny Dengzongpa plays a character called Jabbar Khargoshi.
You mentioned this, Baba.
Okay, Jabbar Khargoshi. And do you know what his takya kalam is, or his shtick?
I have forgotten this, but you have mentioned this before.
His shtick is basically he cryogenically freezes his ex-girlfriends. So
like Mr. Freeze.
No, he doesn't do it. He doesn't do it himself. He freezes them so when you walk, when Karishma Kapoor walks into his lair or his palace with Chandrachur Singh, as they're walking, in each of the like, you know how you have like pillars, each of the pillars has a cryogenically frozen girl who is young and still in her beauty, because he never wants to lose their beauty. So as he walks past, this is whatever.
You mean like, Tama, how you have like frozen patties?
Correct.
So this is where Christopher Nolan got the idea for Prestige.
So there is definitely Jabbar Khargoshi is one of them up there. And then there was another one, China Gate, of course, everybody knows.
Mere man ko bhaya, main kutta kaat ke khaya.
Correct.
Dude, we have to address this other stereotype, right? And I hate this one thing about Bollywood comedy, which is that.
Oh my God! Wait! 1 second. I just realized a very big stereotype in China Gate. वो कुत्ता काट के खा रहा है, and the movie is named China Gate.
Oh no!
This is
an homage to the Yulin festival.
Not that. There's also a dog inside the movie called Jigar, who's Tinu Anand's dog.
Tinu Anand was in China Gate. I keep forgetting.
Yeah.
Okay,
and also, sorry, my second favorite.
Wait, one second.
I hadn't finished that now, which was that in Shehenshah. Okay, in Shehenshah, but in Shehenshah, Amrish Puri and Raza Murad, okay, are in a bar, okay, and Meenakshi Shishadri, okay, who's the lead actress in the film, she's in the thing, and obviously they're trying to get to Amrish Puri. So Amrish Puri has a cigarette and he puts a cigarette in his mouth, and he's looking for a lighter, and Meenakshi Shishadri lights his cigarette. Okay, so he looks at her and then obviously fully like checks her out creepily and all, and then the waiter comes to and says, "JK साहब आपका regular." So he's like, "एक black dog whiskey." तो रजा मुराद उसको पूछता है, "JK साहब आज black dog whiskey क्यों?" तो बोलता है, जिस दिन मैं कोई खूबसूरत लड़की देखता हूँ उस दिन मेरे मन में 1000 काले कुत्ते भौंकने लगते हैं, उस दिन मैं ब्लैक डॉग विस्की लॉजिक था.
You know something, you know what the weirdest thing about this is, like if this scene happened today, okay, in 2020, the brand manager of Black Dog would get in touch and he would say, please cut this scene because it portrays my brand in bad light.
Correct. But all obvious, right? Obvious, right?
ये सोच के ये dialogue नहीं बोल सकता है.
But obvious, right? Like it's quite obvious.
So the thing that I was talking about was that one thing I fucking hate about Bollywood comedy is this thing where they think that if you rhyme one word with another word, it is comedy.
Yeah.
Like, "Arey majama, mein pajama." Like, and
dude,
this is
the best example of that. Yeah. Abba dabba chabba.
No, that's a thing, right? But I'm saying like.
But that was genius.
Yeah, they make dialogues which rhyme and then it doesn't have to make sense at all. It's just the fact that we rhymed
The
it.
best thing which has gone popular in cult culture is Gunda, which is just the whole movie is rhyme after rhyme after
Yeah.
rhyme after rhyme.
Dude,
Iambic
I hope,
pentameter.
dude, sometimes I feel like Gunda is not
Shakespeare.
is a piece of genius because it's the best satire on Bollywood ever.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
what it really is.
If
Yeah,
Kanti
but
Shah had
it's
made
the
that
room.
movie, ironically, it would have been pure genius.
But
It probably
it's
is.
the room. It's literally the room which we have found meaning in it. I think they unintentionally made like it's the room, wo jo Hollywood.
No,
ki
they're
picture
also
hai.
just following. Like, talking about villains, the most stereotyped people with the villain are the villain's henchmen, right? Your villain henchman was standard throughout. There was that one guy, na, what's his name? Gavin Packard, remember? Gavin Packard became the villain in every Akshay Kumar movie. Because
Correct.
Akshay Kumar martial arts कर रहा है तो तेरे सामने 180 स्प्लिट करने वाला कोई चाहिए उसके टक्कर का और वो था Gavin Packard.
His
And
he was
daughter
there
is
in
like some
Suhag
big
also,
model
dude.
now,
Yeah.
right? His daughter is some big model now, right?
Yeah, Erica.
Oh shit, yeah.
Dude,
So Gavin,
Bob
yeah,
Christo
Gavin
also,
worked out.
man. He
Yeah,
was
yeah,
the
all those
other-
guys. Bob
all
Christo,
that.
Gavin Packard, फिर Tej Sapru.
हाँ,
As well,
and
dude.
the
And Dhanwa.
sophisticated version of this was Tom Alter.
Yeah.
Yeah,
If-
but
if a
also-
white guy wasn't fighting, it's Tom Alter.
Also, all of them are actually trained in Satya Pe Satya, where they are Som, Mangal, Budh, Guru, Shukra.
Yeah.
If you look at it, they're all there only. But no,
But
But Bob
also,
Villain
Christo,
henchman, huh?
first time I saw in Mr. India, Bob Christo like being funny. It's the first time I saw
Christo
Bob
being
Christo
funny.
being fun. Yeah, when the Hanuman Murti attacks him, which
Yeah.
is so like it's a great and funny scene. Like
The
Hanuman.
bola
is
Jai
kicking the-
Bajrang Dali, Jai
Bali,
Bajrang.
Yeah.
Wow.
yeah,
No, but
it's-
the thing with the henchmen is, I think throughout Bollywood history, even now, तेरे एक विलन का तो काम है कि तू जाके मेन हीरो से लड़ाई करे, लेकिन उसके पहले जाएगी उसकी फौज जो
And they always have a cutaway scene to their face.
always, and it's a cutaway scene to when they're looking their most ugliest.
yeah.
और सीधा किसी
Yeah, yeah.
close it.
I think this is
You know,
South
the
Indian
villain
cinema is
henchman
really-
hit rate for killing the lead actor would be so much higher if they just went very stealthily without creating any sound. कि चुपचाप
Or they
ऐसे
just
जाके ना
attack together.
खटाक मार सकता है, लेकिन
Or they
नहीं
just attack
चूतिए
And they
तो करेगा ही ना आदमी.
You know what other
Why aren't they
stereotype?
mobbing him? Why aren't they mobbing him? Like, why do they form a circle? And
नहीं,
it's like,
because
अच्छा,
हीरो हमेशा
one,
बोलता है
two,
माँ का
three.
दूध पिया तो एक एक करके आओ.
हाँ, एक-एक करके. Also remember this stereotype in the 90s where they would fight in a crowded market. There would 100% be one shot जिधर उसने मारा है henchman को, henchman जाके एक
एक
vegetable
vegetable के काट.
Yeah. Dude,
बेचारा भाजी वाले के
Dude,
टमाटर.
they've destroyed everything. Vegetable cart,
And-
Oran, Machi market.
And villain henchmen always defy laws of gravity when beaten by the hero. क्योंकि हीरो ऐसा मारेगा और वो ये होगा ये ऐसे मैं चूतिए तू क्या थर्मोकोल का बना है पुसली के.
And that sound was also there. It's like, you know how much force it takes to make a sound.
Along with
कभी लकड़ी हाथ में लेके, if you swipe like a cane and you get that sound, that, like, you know how fast you have to hit somebody to.
And also, apart from the henchman, there was also the villain's shill, right? Like who was genuinely always accompanied. She always accompanied this hero, this villain wherever
Glamorous
he went.
lady,
Yeah,
right?
this glamorous like eye candy that sort of went.
She was
So eventually-
she was to entertain all of the villains'
Friends.
business partners.
Yeah.
And what's always great or what was always amazing was at the end of the movie she would always flip against him.
Yeah.
Like she would always
Sawal,
like she would be like this
So
asshole.
finally, she's getting to get away from the clutches of this evil villain.
Correct.
Yeah.
No, talking about villain, ये henchmen also ना. देखो एक जानना था कि इन लोगों को कितने पैसे मिलते हैं.
Yeah.
ये main villain से कि एक बार देख क्लियर हो गया कि all the henchmen have been beaten, सब मरे पड़े. अब हीरो जाएगा main villain के पास. लेकिन right before he gets to the main villain, there's one henchman who survives or who is less beaten. He can just pretend to be dead.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah.
like there is no honor in deserting your villain boss. Okay.
Correct.
Like just pretend to
वो
be.
देखो health
What
insurance.
the-
Clearly, there's no health insurance in this
Yeah,
entire.
he just gets up
villainy,
and he tries to attack him again.
और फिर वापस मरेगा.
You know one other whole pitara of stereotypes is Bollywood's portrayal of the West. Right, one joke that never gets old is hero talks to a white person in Hindi,
and they get
says
it.
Whatever, yeah. Arey tu chutiya hai. No, I meant hello. How are you?
Basic scene hai, Indians in the West will always talk in Hindi.
Yeah.
Whether they're talking to a person or in many scenes they've shown not that the actress is very religious, but she goes to the church.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
और वो church में जाके Jesus Christ से
और प्यार हो गया dude,
प्लीज
और
अगर तुमने
प्यार
इसे
हो गया
बचा लिया तो मैं उसे
प्यार
कभी
तो
नहीं
होना ही
you know what I
था।
mean? Like,
Yeah.
जब तक ये जान नहीं हुआ था
in
ब्रो
DDL
कटरीना
में-
जाके जीसस से हिंदी में बात करती है
dude,
What
in
did she call him?
DDLJ
Jesus
Shahrukh
Godji.
spoke to Jesus, dude.
हाँ?
Godji.
In DDLJ Shahrukh spoke to
DDLJ,
Jesus in
right,
Hindi.
correct.
Yeah, of course.
Dude,
Of
also
course.
another terrible stereotype that Bollywood always has is of anybody of like, you know, anybody from the LGBTQ gender or anybody who is like the stereotype is so bad.
Oh, yeah.
So you remember that Salman
Bobby
movie?
Darling.
Bobby
Bobby Darling, after a point, was used as a punchline. And the Salman movie you're talking about is Pyar Kiya To Darna Kya.
Correct. In
Where
Pyar Kiya
not
To.
only are they grossly stereotyping that guy, but they also have a supplementary soundtrack to go with it.
Yeah, that
To increase the to so-called gayness of that character.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like they had, I still very clearly remember. And I also remember laughing my ass off at that. Now, in retrospect, when I think about it, yeah, it's horrible. But at that time, when you're young, because you've been fed with this constant diet of titting,
yeah, that's the one.
titting, and then the person would have to like do exaggerated movements, like
No, this is the
And this the hand.
Bollywood sign.
Yes,
yeah.
Gay.
yeah,
Oh, dude. Also, the classic trans jokes, right? Where a guy pretends to be a woman and the jokes just keep flowing, right? Isn't it like I saw Houseful 4 recently, and usme bhi same hai. Just the Johnny Lever just becomes a woman, and the joke is that he's always hitting on Akari Pasta. This is another stereotype that should die.
I'm okay.
Kautuk, just increase your mic volume input na little bit. That's all.
Mera
But
kam
continue
Yeah,
talking.
I reduced my input volume, so I'm hopefully sounding better right now.
Yes,
The
you are.
only movie that really got the cross-dressing right in a way, which
Chachi
was more
420.
empowering, Chachi 420
Yes.
was more empowering towards women in a way than like the Chachi. was
I wouldn't call it empowering.
Yeah, it was just justified correctly, and it wasn't played for.
I
like
mean,
those cheap
it wasn't
laughs.
placed
the
for the cheap
situations
laugh,
were
yeah.
great. Yeah.
Wasn't for
No,
the cheap
also it
laughs. There
was
were
Mrs.
people who were
Doubtfire, no?
attracted to her, exactly. Yeah. So they had a
Still came in
brilliant
from Mrs.
reference point.
Doubtfire, right?
So
They had a brilliant reference point.
the difference is between the two things is that you have a serious reason why this guy is doing this, right? Like he's
Yeah.
got to be close to
Yeah.
his kids, as
Yeah.
opposed to
Yeah.
the only reason we're doing this is because it's funny, isn't it? Like there's a guy dressed as a girl.
You
fuck,
can't
wrap
use
your
it
head
as a
around that.
punchline, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
You can't use it as a
No,
punchline.
but in Pyar Kiya To Darna Kya, it was that, right? Like when
was-
this
it was
Straight up.
when
It was
this
just a
gay guy
punchline.
is coming to bowl, he's coming, and while
Yeah.
he's coming, वो टटिंग या ये और फिर ऐसा के ना ऐसे सब like overdoing it because hey, it's funny. See, he's a guy, but he's behaving like a girl, and very
Yeah.
like outlandish portrayal of it, like over the top.
And yeah, it didn't make any sense. But this is consistent with a lot of films of the 90s, 2000s, yeah, across the board. Like, and it's not just gender roles or whatever. All stereotypes that they've landed are terrible. Like, are just terrible in terms of even if you look at Dabang, which was considered to be like whatever super blockbuster, super duper hit star, whatever. I mean, the it's not necessarily a great hero kind of thing to portray the way it sort of pans out. So I mean, very terrible when it comes to.
Oh, you're telling me थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता, प्यार से डर लगता is not the right thing? Wow, well got.
But even this thing, dude, like Bhai ki picture is to a whole different pitara of stereotypes.
Yeah.
Right? How
वो
many
तो हम लोग
stereotypes
का
are there?
meme page खोलेगा तो निकल जाएगा.
Yeah,
उसका.
dude, how many stereotypes?
नहीं,
Yeah,
but लेकिन
let's
तू
not
देख
get into भाई.
तू उसका no, of course let's get into भाई. Bollywood stereotype episode में तू भाई नहीं discuss करेगा तो क्या discuss करेगा? But you see
इधर
that progression also.
सब time
right?
code इधर डालेगा भी. Please
Yeah.
start from
Yeah.
this. By start side.
Yeah. For
No, but
Bhai,
you see-
for Bhai
you
start from
You see
49
the
minutes.
progression where Salman goes from doing like a Maine Pyar Kiya, that cute lover boy, good looking boy,
dude,
Prem.
Veergati, dude.
Yeah.
Veergati, he's done great performances. Veergati, what was that film with Nagma? Baghi. I mean, great performances, dude. But then I don't know.
Which was the one जिसमें roller skating करता है वो कौन सी picture?
कभी मीरा रोड, कभी Leamington Road, कभी Granta Road.
Basically, Google Maps as a song.
I know. Meera Road है. Meera Road है बस.
We've done this in a podcast, by the way. We've actually spoken about this particular
the time
song.
he started wearing that bracelet, no, I think something changed in him fundamentally. Like it had an effect on his brain.
When was that?
So maybe all the tantrics are right. Maybe that's true. The stone does affect your personality.
No, but also you have to realize Salman went through a really bad patch of movies, right? Before Hum Dil Le Chuke and all of that came about.
Then Wanted changed his life, dude.
Yeah, so I'm saying no. Before Wanted. No, just before Wanted also. Hum Dil Le Chuke Sanam was before Wanted.
Wanted was 99, bro.
Wanted was his Liam Neeson moment. Was his Taken moment.
Yeah. And Wanted was some 2005 type situation.
So there was this
Hum Dil Le Chuke Sanam was 99.
Yeah.
So there was this entire patch where Salman sort of faded out.
Because after all his cases and all, he actually first his comeback was Tere Naam. Tere Naam में कुछ एक shift हो गया where you know Radhe उसका एक character का नाम था ना, he became the.
By the way, there's a new movie coming out called Radhe. Which I'm hoping
By the way, the correct name is called Radhe, your most loved bhai. और मोस्ट वांटेड भाई सब ले लो, मैं किसके लिए गाना चाहता हूँ? वांटेड भाई,
योर मोस्ट वांटेड दबंग भाई.
he's playing a double role. उसमें एक प्रेम भी है, तो भाई before he became राधे वो प्रेम था वैसे.
Do you guys know which was the first movie where he decided आज से मैं हर मूवी में शर्ट तो निकालूंगा ही निकालूंगा? Do you guys know?
Difficult because literally फर्स्ट मूवी से उसकी शर्ट निकल रही है ना.
बनियान में तो स्टार्ट किया निकला था.
मैंने प्यार किया
तो बनियान में स्टार्ट किया उसने, dude.
बनियान
में he is without a shirt. No, he is without a shirt when he's boxing.
Of course he is there.
Comes. Yeah, when that vamp girl comes.
एंड में फाइट होता है तभी भी वो ऑलमोस्ट फटेले बनियान में.
You know,
also all the villains had this background music like मेरे प्यार किया के में every time this guy used to come, it was just hey that music used to come for the, I forgot the villain's name. What's it?
Monish Bail.
Dude, the other thing about this thing is, right, Bhai ki picture, I feel like, is that at some point this especially happened during the Dabangg movies, right, and it reached its like peak with Dabangg 2 where his shirt came off on its own, yeah, right. And at that point I felt like the writers used to only think of कि इस बार हम भाई की शर्ट कैसे निकालेंगे,
जस्टिफाई कैसे करेंगे.
प्यार किया तो डरना क्या. The ओ जाने जाना song is, it doesn't even require a shirt to come off. It starts only with a shirt off.
It doesn't even need electricity for the electrical guitar.
Yeah.
By the way, that's another Bollywood movie stereo because the electric guitar looks a lot more jazzier and shinier.
Dude, none of them know how to play.
Kareena Kapoor in मैं प्रेम की दीवानी में शुरू कसम की कसम है
और ऐसे कुछ कर रही है.
It's not सितार जैसे बजा रही है.
Yeah, bro. Sorry, I'm going to use a Bawa reference in terms of age, but Zeenat Aman in
चुरा लिया है तुमने.
चुरा लिया. It is there. She attempted to get the strumming right. At least attempted. अभी तो no fun है, bro. Rahul Roy.
They would go to the studio. They would sit with Lakshmikant Pyarelal. I don't know if that was Lakshmikant Pyarelal, but they would sit with R.D. Burman. They would sit with the music director, and the music director would actually, they would observe this stuff, and I think the only actor I've heard who did that again recently was Ranbir Kapoor in Rockstar, and the guitar playing on that in that movie is on point.
That completely makes sense because like, if you had to go to someone, you'd go to R.D. Burman, right? Now, if you had to be like, hey, if you want to learn this instrument, तेरे को हिमेश के पास जाना पड़ेगा. You'd be like, fuck it, यार मैं सितार बजा लूँ.
She's like, वहाँ पे तेरे को जिम करना सिखा.
Entire thing where dude, the one of the biggest films, Rahul Roy's introduction film. What was it? Aashiki, right? It starts off with him playing the guitar badly. Like the film opening shot is where he's doing. It's the first shot of the film. Fuck anything else.
You know that at one point they were auditioning for Aashiki 2 and they had released this. I remember this was, how long ago was this, Varun? Because every actor got this casting call. Where Aashiki 2. and they were asking all the actors, and they started a YouTube hunt.
Yeah, go upload your audition.
Yeah, the Bhatt camp had started a audition hunt, a hunt for the lead actor for the movie, and they were making everybody play. And for the audition, you had to play the opening number from Ashiki 2. So there is a plethora, an entire YouTube playlist of just people embarrassing themselves in random photo studios, just trying to get the playing right. Some people are using tennis rackets because उनके पास गिटार नहीं है.
मच्छर मारने का रैकेट. But you know, there was क्या कर रहा
तू उल्टा करेगा अभी. Adar and I are in sync.
No, but you know that whole thing where there was a video not in the middle, but when Jab Tak Ye Jaan came out, उसमें जो गाना था ना, चला की लबेदा, so somebody had taken out a version as to what it would actually sound if he were playing the
background music wasn't there.
Bro, it's the funniest thing because it's chala ki labeda.
My real question is, ये राम गोपाल वर्मा बंद करना अपना camera movement. My real question has always been that, because while acting or whatever it is, they're still strumming the guitar, right? Or they're really playing, like in Mohabbat, Shah Rukh's playing the violin, right? Like those string, that thing is touching. What would it really sound like? Like, how do you pretend to enjoy that?
We've done a video on it on our X channel. उसमें भी किया हुआ है वो.
अरे आदर unmute करना है यार.
Unmute है. I mean, mute.
The piano, the way they used to play the piano was hilarious. Like, but it's the easiest thing to like cheat, no? It's just like, and just cut it out of frame. I think that's why a lot of the older movies used to just not go with the guitar. They used to go like.
लोग कह रहे थे ना, रुक जाओ दिल दीवाने में वो लेट के कुछ ऐसे करके.
That was.
Piano be confused.
But no, he's talking about whatever that Shammi Kapoor song.
One other stereotype. Fuck. We have to talk about this. One other stereotype that I've noticed in Bollywood.
We're done with bhai stereotypes, what?
हो गया. Meaning, बहुत बोला यार across many podcasts. So one other stereotype is nowadays when you have to play the common man, right? He's a person with a mustache and a scooter.
Yeah.
Unanimously. Yeah. He has a scooter and he has a mustache and he drives it like this.
Yeah. And it comes with an added quality of, if you take it off, nobody will recognize who you are.
Yeah.
They made a whole movie where Shah Rukh के duplicate में difference है एक मूंछ की, bro.
But that's also true in Golmaal, dude.
That's also true in Superman.
And I'm talking about the original Golmaal.
Golmaal is a comedy movie. ठीक है. Yeah, they give it like suspension of disbelief type. Well, allowed.
Also, it's a Hrishikesh Mukherjee film, so it's allowed.
Hey, but one other thing, you know, as comedy writers, I feel like this is one thing that pains me, right? Like the old comedy movies, like the Golmaals, Chupke Chupke, all of these movies, right? If you haven't seen them, by the way, please line them up.
Bro.
Yeah.
One thing I remember with Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi.
Just one second. So I just want to complete this point, which is that the thing that pains me the most is that they used to really think that the audience was intelligent at that point. Intelligent enough to get a joke without having a sound effect. Right now, modern Bollywood comedy is just, here's the joke and then here's the sound effect to tell you it's a joke. And if you still didn't get it, then here is a face that we'll cut to let you know that it's a joke. And
if you still don't get it, like if somebody kicks you in the balls, isn't it? There's a weird like.
This is the Aftab Shivdasani school of.
Dude, the worst rendition of that I have seen is somebody kick somebody in the ball and do akhrot bahar aate. It's like,
that's hilarious actually.
But that's a great joke. That's a great joke.
Adit, tu kya bol raha tha about that movie?
So Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi, I actually asked Vinay Pathak this because Vinay is his best friend, right?
Yeah.
And Vinay is like you are asking me this question while like I was doing a play with him, and he's like, you are asking me this question while doing a play with me where there is a woman dressed as a man and everybody around can't recognize her, and that's As You Like It, and we were doing Shakespeare. So technically, if you really think about it, that suspension of disbelief has been around for over 400 years on stage.
Yeah, but Rosalind dressing up as a man. Yeah, in As You Like It, when she dresses up as a man, she fully dresses up as a man. She doesn't
It's not
change her
just a
mustache.
mustache.
It's not just this. Other, she Rosalind dresses up as a man.
It's like Chachi
Yeah, yeah.
420 works, right? Because the guy is like really fucking changing
Yeah,
himself.
yeah.
So
But they're talking about the sketches we had done. Usme, going back to villain dad wala sketch, his thing was every
blank
time
check.
when the hero comes to ask for his daughter's hand, his whole thing is, you stay away from my daughter. Here's a blank check. Fill whatever amount it takes to stay away from my daughter.
But
I would
like that the
I
man
would take
goes,
the
like,
check and
nobody
then
goes,
elope with the daughter, dude. I mean, why
Correct.
wouldn't you do that?
Arey,
Take the
but-
check and then elope.
In our sketch,
then he
the-
can go
the
like
son
get
takes
Beyonce
it.
ना वो पैसे के साथ हाँ
अबे पैसे Beyonce को खरीद रहा है क्या मार्केट से?
खरीद रहा नहीं है, but
Not-
at least he can go impress some, like he can actually
No,
make
dude,
something
but he's
of
in love
himself.
with someone
He
else.
becomes
Other,
Jay-Z.
why are you trying to do this in a stereotype episode? Varun, you were saying.
नहीं मैं वही विलन बाप वाला ये कंटिन्यू कर रहा था.
We've done the sketch also. I think that could make a really good reel. I think the one that Varun and I were the father and son, and मैं like I offer Varun a blank check, and the next shot is just me begging on the road.
Yeah,
Which
I'm taking it.
That's a great reel. I think we should just cut it and put it up again.
One other type of Bollywood hero that has disappeared is the extra virtuous guy. The Vinod Khanna type, the extra जिसमें सब
Amar
खूबी
in
है.
Amar Akbar and thing.
Yeah, like he's not wrong and he stands up for justice and all of that shit. Like that's completely gone away. Now you have a very normal person, or you have like a Salman exaggerated crazy person.
Or like
guy.
with the thing, you're also dabbling with more like gray characters, right? Those
Yeah.
who don't quintessentially fit into a white or a black. They're
Yeah.
a bit of both. Like you start, it's become a challenge to get you to root for that guy who is
Yeah.
not entirely perfect, and you want to see if his flaws still make you support him.
Chulbul Pandit.
Chulbul Pandit. Very flawed. This is avant-garde filmmaking, guys.
Dude, every time I pass by Mehboob Studio, I'm telling you, it's because it's right here. So every time I pass by Mehboob Studio, oh god.
Arey,
all
one
I
thing,
think.
I think Jo Jeeta Wo Sikandar had a very flawed hero. Just an absolute.
Dude, there were
dumbass of a hero.
always these great.
no, but he was flawed, and then realizes the fact that he was, and then goes on to become good. So वो तो ठीक है ना यार.
Guys,
You will root for him.
मेरा एक
No, there
theory
were
है.
always these characters in the middle. There were always great films that had these virtuous, real, like normal, real sort of characters in every decade or every year.
I
you'll find a
genuinely think, dude, in the 2000s, Amir Khan has personally raised the standards of Bollywood. Like with
Yeah,
every
dude.
film,
What
he
is
has
Sarfarosh,
personally
dude?
changed
What
the-
is Sarfarosh?
Yeah,
Dude,
exactly.
that film-
Sarfarosh.
that decade had Sarfarosh.
Gulam.
That decade had
Gulam.
Gulam. That had Lagan. That had Dil Chahta Hai.
Dil Chahta Hai.
Correct.
Bro, back to back, and Rang De Basanti.
And
Okay, and I've listed
Oh yeah.
5 of my favorite Bollywood films
Yeah.
anyway.
Ever.
And they all have Amir Khan in it.
Dude,
Yeah,
even
yeah.
Dangal, right? Dangal comes out, and now everyone wants to make a sports movie, right? Because
Yeah.
Dangal, right? Like fucking Dangal, and it's a great
Dude,
great
you
movie.
realize
And he
Amir is
personally
the
just
only
ups
guy.
it.
Amir is the only guy who has made a sports film successful till he did Lagan. Like there was only one film before that, Aval Number, which was successful, right?
Hey,
Because
but he's
otherwise-
done a bunch of sports movies, na? Jo Jeeta.
No, then he did Jo Jeeta, which worked. Then he
Correct.
did this thing, and one scene in Nanda's Apna Apna where he's playing football. But outside of that, everything is like then Chak De happened, then Dhoni
Correct.
happened, then all
Yeah.
of that happened.
Correct.
But I think, a lot of the actors in, like Salman to ek hum log ne example diya hai, but so many of these guys, they end up becoming sort of stereotypes of themselves.
Of
Right?
themselves. They become
I-
caricatures of themselves.
I mean, it's not some big news. Like Shah Rukh, right? Once he started off, he was something who he broke out being a negative villain, like a
Yeah,
Bazigar and
anti-hero,
Dare and
the
all. He's the
anti-hero.
anti-hero. And then
Yeah.
transformed.
Anjam, dude, or even Anjam. I'm saying like
अरे राम जाने जिसमें
राम जाने,
शर्ट और
95
सूट पहना है और अंदर शर्ट है ही नहीं और उधर लिखा है
वो
स्टाइल
सूट
बाय
पता नहीं
गौरी
किसी
खान
और का किसी और का सूट है वो. It's clearly not his. Like 4
sizes
sizes
big.
too big.
I think we've done this joke before. That
yeah, we have.
they
We
asked,
guarantee have done this.
Yeah,
That's another
Because Varun
stereotype
and I
of
find
fish.
it very funny.
no, yeah, they asked Gauri Khan ki where is the shirt, and she's like Ram Jane.
Ram Jane. Ah, that was the joke. That was the joke. Correct. No, but then you saw him, like loved him in DDLJ, Dil To Pagal, like oh Rahul, Raj, that became a thing, and then he ended up becoming a parody of himself
Correct.
because after that spate, all the movies where Shah Rukh was not Shah Rukh are the movies I've loved.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like
Swades.
But you
Chak
think
De
it's,
India.
it's the pressure.
Chak De
It's
India,
the pressure
Swades.
of public to a certain degree.
Yeah,
like,
of course.
if you are like, okay, suppose you started doing something on Snapchat, like even on a small degree, like if you're doing wiki on Instagram, when you try to put up a video or another sketch as Varun, the guarantee there'll be 10 comments that say, hey, put
But
wiki
Adarsh,
dalna,
that
ye
doesn't
kya
hold
dal raha
true for that doesn't hold true for Amir.
You
No,
amplify that by 100. That's what happens
no,
to
no.
these
You
guys.
amplified by 1 billion. But I'm saying you look at Amir year on year. The guy literally has in 2000. I'm saying he's also given us a Mela, by the way. I'm not saying like everything he's done is great. He's given us an Ishq, which was a great film according to me.
अच्छा था dude, इश्क तो
God,
बहुत
Ishq
सही
Ishq
था।
was
was
fun.
great.
Ishq was
क्या
According to
बोल
me,
रहा है?
great.
इश्क को इश्क को नहीं
Ishq
बोलने
was
का।
But I don't think it did well box office.
बस
But
ट्रेन और लड़की उसके लिए कभी नहीं रुकने का
Dude.
एक जाती है दूसरी आती है
Rama, Rama,
राम
Rama,
राम राम
Rama,
राम
tu
राम राम
Baram,
राम राम
Baram,
राम राम
Baram,
I'm
Baram,
saying
Baram.
I liked Ishq. But I'm saying he also gave us a Mela. He also gave us an Atanki Atank with Mamta Kulkarni.
अरे ये सब तो पहले की बात कर रहा है बाबा
No, but I'm
You're
saying
not
in
2000
2000.
Okay, चल
in
मंगल
2000,
पांडे
you look at
given
everything
चल
he did.
okay.
Mangal
No,
Pandey.
but see, I'll tell you what. Even with the Mangal Pandey, I don't. Okay, the movie wasn't good.
But
ठीक है?
guts.
So appreciate the
guts
risk.
कि तू 1.5 साल पिक्चर नहीं लिया दूसरा. Guts कि तू
Yeah.
खुद का बाल लंबा किया, खुद का मूछ लंबा किया. It's a different story that the movie ended up being something else. तारे जमीन पर भी बना है ना वो.
But dude, you know what?
Hmm.
You know what Mangal Pandey what he did marketing wise, the genius. So I'm assuming उसने देखा कट और बोला ये तो लग गए लौड़े, ठीक है? तो फिर obvious, right? Mangal Pandey was one of the first films to release in the multiplex era. So what he did first of all, there was no, if you remember, there was no trailer for Mangal Pandey. There was only one teaser which ran across all channels. So he said, इससे ज्यादा अगर मैं पिक्चर दिखाएगा तो सबको मालूम है कि फ्लॉप होने वाला है, ठीक है?
And this was right after Lagan, so he knew that people were interested in him.
So
In the
then
period
he
movie
put-
with Amir Khan again.
So then all he did, if you remember, he made his money in between Friday and Sunday because that was the first time he did that 11:01, 11:02, 11:03, 11:04 ka show. So 4 shows starting literally at the same time in every multiplex. So everybody bought out the weekend.
Before the first person comes out and complains.
So 400 हो गया. You know what I'm saying? But that's the genius of him, dude.
अरे but तेरा वही साइड पे भाई भी है जो बोल रहा है आके बोलने दे तू जाके बोलेगा अरे पिक्चर फकौल है फिर भी पब्लिक जा रही है.
But no, that's also because of what we expect from Amir versus what we expect from Bhai, right? Like, I mean, you look at what Amir has given us. I'm saying even Amir's films where there are 2 actors playing together, like Dil Chahta Hai, Andaz Apna Apna, Ishq. They're actors where he's not solo, dude. He's still killing it, dude. Dangal, he's not solo. It's not. He's not carrying the film.
No,
Even Hugs of Hindustan.
Then you had
Oh yeah.
Hugs of
He
Hindustan.
comes up with a Hugs of Hindustan.
no, then you had the Akshay Kumar career,
Devgan.
right?
Genre. Oh yeah, let's talk about that. That stereotype. Fuck
तू
yes.
एक तो खिलाड़ी था
Yes,
एक
yes,
तेरा चल
yes.
गया तो उसके बाद सब खिलाड़ी कितने खिलाड़ी सबसे बड़ा
खिलाड़ियों का
खिलाड़ी
खिलाड़ी।
सात है,
खिलाड़ियों का
सात है,
खिलाड़ी
खिलाड़ियों का खिलाड़ी,
इंटरनेशनल खिलाड़ी
international खिलाड़ी,
मैं
खिलाड़ी
खिलाड़ी
number
तू
one।
अनाड़ी सबसे
Mr. and
बड़ा
Mrs.
खिलाड़ी
खिलाड़ी।
मिस्टर एंड मिसेस खिलाड़ी
Khiladi number 1 also,
सात है.
which was number 8 actually. So
and then there was खिलाड़ी नंबर 786 जो
Oh, ये भी
थोड़े
है.
साल पहले आए थे so that's 9 खिलाड़ी
plane पे खड़ा
I
हुआ
am pretty sure there's one more खिलाड़ी that we are missing out.
Wait, I'm reading it. Okay, so it is.
I've got 9.
नो हाँ खिलाड़ी मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी खिलाड़ियों का खिलाड़ी मिस्टर एंड मिसेस खिलाड़ी इंटरनेशनल खिलाड़ी खिलाड़ी 420 खिलाड़ी
420
हाँ खिलाड़ी 786
हाँ
Wow.
तो 9 है ना करेक्ट
हाँ.
उसकी फर्स्ट मूवी का नाम था लेकिन मिस्टर बॉन्ड
मिस्टर बॉन्ड
No, but dude, so after that, the career transition he's had, which is what I was thinking about, ki in the 90s and 2000s, the people who really lost out were people who weren't sophisticated, like Sunil Shetty, Sunny Deol. Right? You couldn't sell them to
Dude,
an NRI audience.
One sec. Fuck that. Sunny Deol has given you
Was super.
one sec.
अरे
He's
नहीं
superb.
बाबा
He's given you
बाबा
Arjun.
100%. But after
अबे
Weather,
वो भी एक स्टीरियोटाइप बन गया है, right?
हाँ,
Once
चिल्लाता
something clicks, you want to do it as much.
Dude, you
And that's
remember
true
Siddhi
even in
or
the
what?
90s.
What a film, dude.
Right? In the 90s, you finished with Akshay Kumar doing that. He was smart enough to know that, bro, वो एक time था जो खत्म हो गया. I don't know if it was a conscious
No one has
decision या
said,
खुद ने
no one
किया,
has
but
said Akshay Kumar is smart enough to know in a sentence. For
no,
a
that's
very
what I'm
long
saying.
time.
I don't
but
know
think
if
he's
it was
smart.
a.
I think he's damn smart.
I
Of
don't
course
think-
he is. He's
He's
very
very
shrewd.
clever that way.
I don't know if it's a conscious decision or no,
It is.
but
It probably
वो
is.
change होके it became मैं कॉमेडी पिक्चर करेगा.
Yeah.
ठीक है, मेरे साथ साइड में होगा एक तो सुनील शेट्टी, जॉन अब्राहम और एनी ऑफ द इंटरचेंजेबल डूड्स. ठीक है, एक होगा उसके साथ डायरेक्टर होगा प्रिया दर्शन क्योंकि हेरा फेरी चल गई और फिर 2000 से 2008 तक ना it was
One
just
Comedies.
he decided he'll beat the game with quantity because you have Aamir
still
doing
does.
one film in 2 years और अक्षय कुमार एक साल में 8 पिक्चर निकाल गया. ठीक है, 8 पिक्चर will not like his one movie wouldn't make the same amount of money then as a Shah Rukh or a Salman or an Aamir film do, but वो 5 पिक्चर कमा के उतना ही करेगा.
Yeah, zero sum game चल रहा है उसका अलग से.
तो he started doing that and उसके बाद भी वो जो flip है, जो nationalist flip आ गया ना उसका, I think that was his most genius move
Yeah,
because he's like okay एक काम करते, एक मूछ देना जरा, हाँ
master stroke.
एक शर्ट दे, हाँ एक सोशल इश्यू बता, एक सोशल इश्यू बता.
But you know where it
गाँव
started?
में पैड्स नहीं मिल रहे,
Yeah.
पैड मैन.
Do you know where it started? It started off also with Neeraj Pandey, no? When Neeraj Pandey put him in that
Special
Special
26.
26 and
हाँ
from there, and then if you see, because that also had also with Neeraj Pandey, like I'm a big fan of Neeraj Pandey in the way he directs and tells thriller. There's
Akshay,
comedy
but-
also.
Yeah.
There's comedy also. So you needed an actor who is an action actor but has the ability to do comic timing as well.
Dude, Akshay Kumar का comic timing बहुत अच्छा है.
बहुत
अच्छा
अच्छा
है,
है,
really
bro.
good.
And
Really
bro,
good.
he is the only guy who I know who has made hitting your sidey actor
Yeah, funny.
Wait, चले. It became a thing. You watch any of his movies, वो किसी को बजा रहा है साइड में.
You know something?
Yeah, he's
Usually
very
Vijay
good.
That came a lot from Jackie Chan. I think
You know something,
like that
but-
initial influence.
There is one sort of like trick, okay, that this producer of Everybody Loves Raymond was telling us about how do you cast someone for comedy roles, right? So you don't look at like the really good comedy actors. You don't look at how they deliver just punchlines. What you have to look at is how they
Is
deliver
after.
emotion.
Yeah.
So can they be angry
Yeah.
funny? Can they be sad funny? And Akshay Kumar aces angry funny.
100%.
Dude, वो क्या funny है जब when वो angry funny करता है ना, oh fuck. It's like अरे चुप कर साले. That's fucking hilarious.
बाबूराव, आप भी समझते नहीं हो बाबूराव.
Yeah, it's fucking.
मतलब लेकिन
आप पेशाब कर रहे हो, पेशाब क्यों कर रहे हो? And he's whispering angry
Yeah,
funny.
it's
That
very
is
funny.
what it-
It's extremely funny.
and for somebody who's जिसका industry में news ये है कि he doesn't remember lines, so there's always a dude with placard standing and lines written.
I've held placards for Akshay Kumar.
No, I know a lot of people have said they'll stick it on the
that's
actor's
like-
chest.
Yeah.
You know, if he's doing this ऐसे तो किसी के जूते पे पता नहीं ऐसे कुछ अजीब अजीब चीजें हैं. But to do that and ace your emotion whilst being in that thing and not fluttering at any point is actually talent.
Yeah, and whenever Akshay acts, right, like at least in the now that he's become a finished product, right, every time he acts especially in a comedy, it's so natural.
Yeah.
He's not trying to be like he's not trying too hard. It's so naturally good that
I mean, I don't know
that's
what
what you want.
the review of Lakshmi मैंने देखा नहीं है.
Okay,
बहुत,
I'm sure
बहुत
everyone has
खराब
their
है
one or two,
But
but
Lakshmi is
generally
not a
it's pretty
comedy.
good.
Let's be honest
Yeah,
also.
it's apparently.
But I'm saying you
supposed
look
to
at
be
Oh
like
My
very
God with
stupid.
Paresh Rawal. You look at
I
Oh
mean-
My God with Paresh Rawal. He
But
nails it,
Paresh
dude. He
Rawal
holds
carry-
his
but-
own. But no, other you have to understand. Akshay Kumar is holding his own with an actor with the caliber of Paresh Rawal.
Yeah, Paresh
Like
Rawal is
he's
another
holding
fucking
his
genius.
own. Like you look at Hera Fairy, he's held his own. It's not like.
Surprisingly, so है सुनील शेट्टी. वो एक स्टेरियोटाइप याद है कि 90s में कि सुनील शेट्टी का हर पोस्टर में सुनील शेट्टी
Yeah.
You know, every Sunil Shetty
And you know,
the track.
and you know where it
showing his
started.
trap muscle.
And do you know where it started? That
Balwan.
poster was on every station.
Balwan.
No, Ant. It started with Ant. I mean, Balwan was his first movie. But
How ironic that it
एक
started
मिनट
with
bro,
Ant.
बलवान में एक सीन है
वो
जब सुनील
हाँ,
शेट्टी
में लड़ाई
एक
करता है कीचड़ में।
एम्बेसडर गाड़ी को उठा देता है.
Okay. Yeah.
गाड़ी
Yeah,
निकल रही है वहां पे देख रहा है पीछे तो
But वो
Yeah, because the
एंटी टैंक
tires-
माइन के साथ भी तो वही कर रहा है.
One second, guys. This is not implausible. Remember, we had done this one podcast with John Abraham, where he like for
lifts
some
the
reason
Nano for chilling.
in the middle of the fucking interview, he goes like, "Are you seeing the Nano?" We're like, "Yes." So I lifted for practice.
I mean, I'm assuming he's trying to be funny.
No.
Yeah,
No,
he was being
no,
funny.
he was like, "I'm training for force, whatever, 2 or 3," and he's like, "I have
Oh,
to
yeah.
lift something." So I'm
And he
practicing
lifted
on
the
this.
car.
He
But
fucking
dude, the
lifts
Nano
it.
is a light car
Crazy.
to lift is the point, right?
अरे but जॉन अब्राहम ऐसे हंसते खेलते में उठा रहा है dude.
हाँ,
तो सुनील शेट्टी
मतलब-
कर ही सकता है.
नहीं लेकिन सुनील शेट्टी का मलेट याद है एक तो उसका मलेट के साथ ये एंड द कंप्लीट इनएबिलिटी टू डांस
Yeah. But that also Sunny Deol also
doing
had,
it in movie after movie after movie after movie that
Dude.
takes guts.
In Main Ladki
You know-
Papa, in Main Lad, there's a wide shot, okay, where Tabu also, who can't dance, is dancing with Sunil Shetty, who also
Hey,
can't
dude.
dance, which is why
Taboo
it works.
Chandni Bar, dude. Taboo Chandni Bar.
Yeah,
she
but I'm
can,
saying
like,
you look
male
at this,
dancing.
but that's where it works, right? They both of them are dancing like Main Ladki Papa.
Abey,
Dude, no, but
But
one
Baba,
other
that's
It's
thing-
supposed to be awkward, no? It's their
That's
character.
supposed to be a funny movie but you look
Which
at
is
him
why-
in Sundara
Yeah.
In Jhajaria, his step, in Jhajaria,
Hai
his
huku.
main step is this. His main step in Jhajaria is
Oh, yeah.
this. That's
So-
his main step.
You know something, there's another Sunil Shetty, like I think they did a workaround, right? So why does the actor dance? To woo the girl. So they're like, okay, Sunil can't dance, so in all of Sunil's movies the girl will woo him, so he just has to stand and she will dance around him.
I think
with Sunny Deol also.
and in most of these guys movies right Sunil Shetty Sunny Deol Salman जो तेरे background artist है ना
अरे,
they dance चार
Jaan,
गुना
Yeah,
ज्यादा
Jaan
करते
likes-
हैं
yeah.
because somebody has to do it right and then they'll ऐसे roll out और बीच में से इन लोग slow motion में चल के आए वो slow motion नहीं होता ना आधे गाने इनके incomplete होते हैं
Yeah.
Salman
क्या
applied
करें?
that to stage shows. Salman Khan has applied that to award nights and stage shows. Like तुम लोग नाचो, मैं walk करके आऊंगा.
एक
वैसे. He's done-
ये कितने सलमान मूवी में देखा ये और एक ये करता हूँ
Hey, but
ये
but you know
Just-
something, I'll tell you something, every single time I see Salman dancing I really genuinely feel he's enjoying the fuck out of it.
Yeah, yeah.
He seems like a man who's like मेरे को बहुत मजा आ रहा है करने में, चलो
He's
करते हैं."
Govinda.
But the
He-
best, but the
Under
best
Sir
is
Govinda.
Govinda. But the best is Govinda.
Yeah, by far.
Govinda is
I mean,
unreal.
Govinda is the guy who looks like he's enjoying what he like the dance at
No,
that point.
Govinda is
Govinda
unreal.
is enjoying it as a dancer. Salman is enjoying it as a boy at a house
As
party after
as
2
a
AM.
pranker. He's
जिधर वो
enjoying
दारू
it as a
पी के,
pranker.
"Yeah, bro."
No, he's enjoying it as a pranker because you can't do continuity with Salman. Like if he's done it this way, in the next, when you need to do the next angle, you need to shoot multicam with Salman. Otherwise, you're never going to
Yeah.
get it again.
तो अक्षय कुमार हो गया सनी देओल का स्टीरियोटाइपिंग भी ऑफ कोर्स
वो
कि
चिल्लाता
मैं-
है,
I know.
dude. That's it.
मैं 2.5 किलो मैं चिल्लाऊंगा ये वो
Being used-
he also
used
became
as
a
very
parody of
serious.
himself later
100%.
right they in fact used that in वो यमला पगला
हम्म।
थोड़ा
हाँ,
self
वो साउंड
referencing
वेव
है।
से ऐसा कुछ
हाँ।
करता है।
where they yell and all the कांच हट जाता है आजू बाजू and like people fly off with just his
The
voice.
sound. The sheer sound.
Dude, you know
But,
something?
but Sunny
if we
Deol
had-
if you want to watch Sunny Deol's performances, Arjun, Damini,
Ghatak.
Arjun
Ghatak
Pandit
and
also, I would add.
Ziddi, dude, Ziddi.
and Gadar. Can't
एक
forget.
मिनट उसका जो पूरा था ना घायल घातक
हम्म।
Oh, Ghayal
Yeah.
also.
basically all his collaborations with Rajkumar Santoshi he kills
Yeah.
Yeah.
which would have been he was going to do Legend of Bhagat Singh also with it.
Wow.
Oh,
Dude, you know
Bobby
something?
Deol
If-
did it. Bobby Deol did it.
If we had Sunny Deol on this podcast, he wouldn't need a Yeti. Like he would just
Yeah.
sit wherever he is.
You could hear him on mute.
You would hear him in each of our mics.
A shouting competition between Sunny Deol and Arnab. Who would really win? Like, I would love to
Nobody. Nobody would win.
We
would all lose.
The audience loses.
It's
their hearing.
Yeah, it's
शरबती नैन में
और कौन से अपने ये सब तो हो गए. Actors stereotypes थे क्या अपने कुछ?
Oh, dude, one stereotype, one very specific thing that happens in Bollywood, right? Which is that the girl is shy, right? And they're in a club for some reason. The girl is very shy, and then she takes like 4 shots, and now she is like liberated, right?
Yeah.
That is like
again, you know,
Kareena, like
Bollywood's depiction of cool young
Liberated.
woman of today is एक तो cigarette पीने का. ठीक है, cigarette पिया तो of course look at her. She's the woman of today. She's smoking. रानी मुखर्जी मूवी में थी just to show कि अभी के new age girl है गाली.
yeah.
Or you show them initiating the first move in sex.
yeah.
But all the stereotypes across the board, like even if you remember when, like you look at, I'm saying you look in the big, like at the start of it, in college they wore saris. Like I'm just saying, like in the 70s or the 70s when they were thing. You look at Bindya Goswami in Golmaal, she's studying, she's wearing a sari.
Yeah.
You look at
Chupke
Saira
chupke.
Banu in you look at Saira Banu.
I mean वो 70s तो समझ सकता है. Then फिर वो सलवार कमीज पे है.
80s सलवार कमीज. Then it came
फिर
down.
फ्रॉक याद है कि नहीं? वो we should have skipped that. We should have skipped that. With sari, salwar kameez and whatever they wear in movies today.
Yeah.
वो फ्रॉक में ऐसे इधर बो इधर भी एक बो.
That
fuck.
midi and maxi.
The
Midi and
Taulia
maxi.
is that they are made to wear in Student of the Year now, which is just hand towel with a belt.
So I was talking to Siddhi, we were watching like Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, one of these movies, right? We were watching Mehuna, right? And
Very different movies.
No, it's Shah Rukh in college, basically. Okay.
Huh.
So we're watching Mehuna, and she stops the movie and she goes, "You know something? I always thought that when I went to college, it would be like this." Right? And she was like, you know, my idea of college was always shaped by Bollywood, and I was so disappointed that college wasn't this. Right? It was just regular, like you had regular people wearing regular clothes, not dancing. You had to give attendance like a regular person. Like you don't sit outside the college and just
you're not rewarded for bunking. You get fucked. You're called into the principal's office.
No one is skateboarding in the hall. You know what I mean?
Yeah. You really thought a love triangle would form around you, which never happens. Like
there isn't a 39-year-old man pretending to be a 16-year-old boy trying.
That is another stereotype, right? Old ass actors, 40, 45, playing college kids. उसमें भी एक आदमी है जिसको मैं दे दूं suspension of disbelief. Again, Amir Khan. Because Amir in Three Idiots looked like he belonged to college. Fine, he not. I know he was 50 by the time he did the movie, or 48 or whatever.
Yeah. But just that look and the shape.
But you know something, right? So when Amir was doing that role, he lost weight. Then he was part of the campus for like 2-3 months. Like he enrolled in it. He played volleyball with them. Like he did all of this.
Badminton खेलता था.
What a guy.
क्या आदमी है वो? क्या कर रहा है तू अपने लाइफ के साथ?
It's just Amir.
College में जाके attendance दे रहा, अंडा पाव खा रहा है.
I remember this from an Amir Khan interview. It's like, how are you justifying playing a 48-year-old like college student? He's like, every morning I go play badminton because it flushes my cheeks, so my cheeks become redder. And that was it.
But actually that worked. It helped you believe a little bit more. अभी मैं सलमान को बोलूं कि भाई इसमें आप कॉलेज स्टूडेंट हो तो आपको 3 दिन कॉलेज जाना पड़ेगा रिसर्च के लिए. Fuck off. मैं रियल लाइफ में नहीं गया कॉलेज. मैं मूवी के लिए जाऊंगा. चूतिए हो गया. केस लगाओ, गिटार दो हाथ में, लेट्स डांस.
ओ जाना
भाई क्या कर रहे हैं आप कॉलेज में? I love you all. भाई we also love you भाई, but आपको लेक्चर के लिए जाने. शारा, ये देखो गाना.
In Tere Ram, he's a college kid, right? And he's the most.
One second, he's a college kid.
Yeah. It
Bro,
starts off
बाइक
in
पे
college.
बैठता है गन के साथ.
but you know, one movie
Teachers को
that
पेल रहा है.
one movie that took this to the
But he's
extreme.
what? He's got this and he goes to class with a gun.
Bro, तेरे को मालूम है वो मूवी याद है, जानी दुश्मन है गनों की कहानी? इसके बाद है कॉलेज में कौन कौन है? अक्षय कुमार, सुनील शेट्टी, आफ्ताब, ठीक है, अरशद वारसी, आदित्य पंचकोली, शरद कपूर, and that guy जिसका हार्ट उसने तोड़ा है, whose heart काजोल broke in बाजीगर, वो भी तो है इसमें.
अरे हाँ,
Yeah.
that चिरंजीवी
छुपाना
का
भी नहीं
correct,
आता, वो वाला. ये सब कॉलेज में, सोनू निगम, सॉरी उसको तो भूल गया, वो भी कॉलेज में, ठीक है. और ये वाली इसमें मूवी में एक is the funniest thing. Each of them have their own like stick, right? So you have Arshad Varsi who's a joker. So literally जब भी कट टू एक सीन होता है ना, अरे दोस्तों क्या बता रहा था मैं आपको, और आके एक जोक बोलते हैं आउट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट कि और एक चींटी और एक हाथी, एंड जस्ट लाइक चूतिया क्या कर रहा है, ठीक है. आदित्य पंचोली वाज अ रिच कॉलेज किड, सो एनी सीन विद हिम वाज, आज मैंने इसके ऑनर में अपने फार्म हाउस में एक पार्टी रखी. अक्षय कुमार इज ऑल्सो इन कॉलेज, और सबका प्रोफेसर कौन है? राज बब्बर.
अरे
जो एक फादर है लेकिन वो गले में एक लॉकेट पहनता है.
Dude, it would have been hilarious अगर
जिसमें
सबका
ओम, अल्लाह और उसमें से ये फुल नेशनल इंटीग्रेशन.
Oh fuck,
But
dude.
it would have been really funny if in सबका प्रोफेसर वरुण धवन होता.
12 साल का था जब जानी दुश्मन.
Hence.
No, but
You guys know the stereotype of the rich man in these movies, in all Bollywood movies.
Yeah.
Kharbanda, what's his full name?
Kulbhushan
Kharbanda.
From Hera Pheri to Lagan,
उसका
he's always
एक
the
white
rich
streak.
man.
नहीं, एक
he's
white
always
streak
the
है
rich
उसका
man.
constant.
Yeah.
Fuck, dude.
Like,
Dude,
how
even
do you-
even in Karan Arjun, where he goes like, "What a joke," and he, what a joke,
वो
guy.
तो सूरज है, उसका बेटा है. That's also the other thing, right?
The
the
villain's
friend's
son,
No, the villain's friend's son. What a joke.
जिसके साथ शादी होने वाला है.
शादी होने वाला है, वो हमेशा एक छूतिया होता है. परमीत सेठी ले ले तू इसमें
हाँ,
DDLJ में.
correct.
This guy Prince, his name is, no, who does What a Joke.
What a joke.
Yeah.
अरे
Karan Arjun.
Parmeet Sethi in the DDLJ then graduates to become Rohit from Dil Chahta Hai. The
Correct.
same trope almost. Ki he's a
Ah.
spoilt guy who gets
But the trope
girl.
before that is Arbaz Khan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Via Arbaz Khan.
It's the evolution, right? It's if you look at the
From Arbaz to Parmeet to Rohit.
ape to धीरे-धीरे, हाँ.
But in fact, like talking about दिल चाहता है, वो मूवी ने एक जन को स्टीरियोटाइप भारी कर दिया था 10 साल के लिए. सैफ.
Safe.
Yeah.
Wow.
Like अरे यार,
Hey, wow, baby, come on here.
मैं आकाश के यार. लेकिन
Dude, उसके अंदर
he
सबका
became that guy in
favorite.
every movie. He
Yeah.
was that guy. I can't tell difference between Tara Rampam, Salam Namaste, you know, like
No,
वो अपना खुद का universe बना रहा है. वो
No,
self-
so which is why,
cinematic
dude,
universe.
which is
हम
why he
तो-
took a hard right and he went to
And did-
Omkara.
लंगड़ा त्यागी.
and killed it.
Yes. Yeah.
Killed it.
Dude, it was fucking crazy, यार. Fuck.
Dude, in
वो-
दिल चाहता है, my favorite line is, तुझे क्या लगता है मैं इस तकिए पे रोज बैठता हूँ, is
Yeah.
my favorite because the context of that line is so good.
No, and also, dude, his delivery on when he's narrating that story of
Yeah,
Subodh.
it's great.
Dude, that
वो
the
एक
way
बीच में
he
ऐसे
delivers
फटता
it.
है, yeah.
Yeah. अरे वो
बीच में
रोज
he's about to
balloon
break
देता
and
है,
all that.
रोज.
Oh.
Dude, this guy, let's talk about Ranbir Kapoor and his stereotype of
Of this
Find
guy who
myself.
is very confused about what he wants to do in life, and then goes on to pick an alternate profession like photographer.
Right from Rocket Singh to
No,
Rockstar.
dude, wake
No,
up
even
Sid, wake up
Tamasha,
Wake Up Sid.
Wake Up Sid,
तमाशा.
उसका भी एक वही.
No, I'm saying right from.
हाँ.
So right from.
नहीं, but that Rocket Singh was different, bro. Like that was
I'm
I actually
waiting.
liked Rocket Singh.
Yeah. But
I'm
I like
waiting-
Wake Up
I'm
Sid
waiting
also.
for him. I'm
I
waiting
like
for him
Anjana
to
Anjani also. Not
actually
Anjana.
come
What
of
was that
age.
other one?
Yeah.
What was that other one with Kalki and all of that?
Yeah.
Was it Anjana Anjani? No, it wasn't Anjana Anjani. What is it?
Kalki.
अरे but
ये
जवानी दीवानी.
जवानी दीवानी.
ये जवानी है दीवानी.
I liked all of them, dude. I liked a lot of Ranbir's films.
देखो अच्छा लगता है ना. Man Child.
हाँ बाबा.
No.
Right.
I
Right.
genuinely like a lot of his films. Like truly. Like even if you look at what where was he that with Katrina with Chashma, very Indira Gandhi wala.
Rajniti.
Yeah. Like,
Sonia Gandhi wala.
That's also technically coming of age film.
You know something, dude?
all.
बर्फी में उसने जो एक्टिंग किया है ना, like it was like
Buster Keaton का कॉपी.
हाँ, Buster Keaton का कॉपी, but it was a original sort of like take on. Like
No, but एक मिनट to think like probably बोल रहा है कॉपी है. Buster Keaton को कॉपी करना भी टैलेंट है bro.
हाँ कौन ना बोल रहा है.
Can't copy Buster Keaton otherwise. Yeah, that's gold. So even if you come
correct.
close to be able to be considered a copy of Buster Keaton, that means you've acted
No, and
the
it
fuck
wasn't
out of.
just it's like what Kautuk is saying, right? Like he did it in his own way
yeah.
and still got it right. Like
And dude, like at that point in time, I swear to God, dude, that guy was like, I saw that movie and I was like, this is probably the best actor of this generation. And I was
Which
like,
he was.
yeah, exactly. And I just feel like maybe a couple of the films he's done recently maybe have not been up to that, like all that Jaga Jasoos and all that shit. But I think like he's a generational talent for sure.
100%.
Yeah.
And
dude, him
I think
and Alia.
Alia also.
Like you look at Alia is
Ayushmann.
insane. I don't even know. She's so young. I don't even know where she gets the ability to pull off roles like Razi, dude. Like Razi, Highway.
What she has done in Highway is
in Highway. That's what I'm saying. Like it's unreal to be able to pull that off. Yeah.
Even Urta Punjab for sure.
Yeah.
Dude, Adar brought up one other great. We should talk about this guy, Ayushmann Khurrana. जो
जब तक तुझे डिसेबिलिटी नहीं है वो फिल्म में, is it even an Ayushmann movie? Erectile dysfunction, sperm donation, parents. I mean not disability all the time, but
he's blind and andhadhun.
Blind, alopecia.
That's true.
Then either that or stuff around him is going like he was gay, right, in one of the other movies.
Shubh Mangal.
Dream Girl mein he's pretending to be a woman. I don't know. I have not watched it.
And then one
social
movie,
issues.
Humpty Sharma ki Dulhania or whatever that was.
वो वरुण धवन है.
No. What was the one where he picks up his wife and
दम लगा के आयशा.
Great film.
Yeah, उसके mom dad जो 60 साल के उनको बच्चा हो गया है.
Dude, Article 15.
One of the best movies to come out recently.
Yeah, and that's the thing, right? Ayushmann Khurrana, dude, एक तो उसको ये देना चाहिए कि first I want to talk about Andhadhun, because dude, if you pitched that movie to me at the time that it came out, right, it could not have been made, because if you came to me and said, hey, it's going to be a thriller with Ayushmann in the lead, with Radhika Apte as his the female lead, we're going to have him be a blind pianist, and Tabu is going to be the villain. And this is the movie, right? And you don't even know what happens in the end. Like, this is the movie.
Yeah, but if it was a Sriram Raghavan film, I'd say take my money.
No, but that's the thing, right?
Yeah.
At the time,
I was excited to watch Agent Vinod even after hearing the reviews, because it's a Sriram
Raghavan film. Dude, Johnny Gaddar के बाद वो आदमी को वो जान ले सकता है मेरा bro. क्या बना है?
Right? कि,
he made Neil Nitin Mukesh look like he could act. That is the biggest...
One movie. And he didn't have to act.
Yeah.
Correct.
He had to have that I'm fucked expression throughout.
Which is life. But I'm saying Neil Nitin Mukesh, Dharmendra, dude, in that film also. Just so
very
it's
well.
Not about the age, it's about the mind.
And Daya.
Oh, by the way,
whose name is Daya. वो एक stereotype है bro, जो कभी टूटेगा नहीं.
Bro,
sorry,
between Ayushmann Khurrana and Rajkumar Rao, right? Both of those people have got this. The hero becomes the script, you know, in all their movies, and it's so fucking
because they're very malleable, bro.
They're damn good actors.
Good news नहीं क्या है बधाई हो right उसमें नीना गुप्ता
the father becomes the
so if you watch that movie, Ayushmann is not the hero.
Yeah
he is not the hero at all, but him being in the movie gives you that star power needed to have a wider release. And it's smart business sense even from his side. The movie is Gajraj and Neena Gupta, hands down, right? It's their story. Because Ayushmann's role could have been also played by any other
person.
Any other guy. It didn't have to have Ayushmann in it per se. But I think that shows the brains of the dude.
That's the
That
thing.
he-
That's
that
exactly the thing.
He'll still be there. The script is the hero, and
Correct.
his presence gives it the wide reach, and will get more people to say Ayushmann Khurrana 12 hit back to back diya.
Yeah. Also, like there's a Jack Nicholson anecdote, okay, which Matt Damon was talking about once. He says, I was sitting with Jack Nicholson in his hotel room, and Jack Nicholson randomly turns to me and says, "You know why I've had such a long career?" He says, "No, tell me." He's like, "Because it's not just because I'm a good actor, it's also because I'm a good writer." What he basically meant was he's got a writer's brain. So when he reads a script, he's like, "ये अच्छा लिखा है, and ये करना चाहिए." And that's what separates like just an actor from like like I feel like Ayushmann has this knack where he can read a script and see the potential in the writing and be like, you know what, fuck it, I want to be a part of this regardless of the budget of it, regardless of my role in it. I'm fucking want to do this. And
then there's
it's
that
great.
This is what happens when you come through roadies. You become so
No, dude.
like you're so appreciative of all the things.
No,
that
but
are there in life.
there's a whole like Vijay Raj, Nawazuddin, Nasiruddin Shah, Nasiruddin Shah, that whole genre of actors that we've just not spoken about.
Irfan Khan.
Dude, I also want to talk about
Irfan
a
Khan.
trope in the 80s. See, the unfortunate bit, we've been talking for so long, and all the feminine tropes that we've spoken of are either negative or made fun of. Like the strong character, you can literally count on your fingers the number of female heavy characters that female heavy movies. Miss Mother India, उसके बाद straight cut to, I want to say the
Khoon Bhari Maang. Say it.
Sure,
Say it, wow.
okay, Khoon Bhari Maang. So
Yeah.
there's Mother India, there's
It's like-
Khoon Bhari Maang.
What
That's
else
it,
is
that's
more
all.
empowering than
No,
a
no,
woman
there's so
killing
many,
a
bro.
Dude, there's
crocodile?
all the Shabana Azmi movies.
Earth.
No.
Earth.
No. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Silsila.
You can literally count on your. But Silsila, if you think about it, technically, Silsila is a Amitabh Bachchan film. You don't.
yeah.
So, I'm
No,
saying
but
you
then
look at any
you've
of-
had later on, not obviously, dude.
Correct.
They used to be treated more as glamour,
Correct.
glorified.
Like if you remember the whole Vishwatma Tridev, that thing where there were three actresses. Divya Bharti was there, Sonam, Madhuri Dixit. All of these. I mean, if you think about it, really, then Tezab was there, which was a great film, and all of them. But none of them had really heavy roles for women, and that's like genuinely sad.
And
Like
if,
today, you've got
even
stuff.
if they had a good role for the lead actress, they would supplement that with equally good role for actor. It was whereas most of the movies that we've spoken about, or till say the advent of the 2000s and the 2010s, you had main hero or
heroine.
ब्यूटीफुल एक्ट्रेस जिसमें अगर 2.5 घंटे का रन टाइम है तो एक्चुअली इफ यू सिट एंड काउंट स्क्रीन टाइम वेयर देयर इज अ डायलॉग एंड नॉट जस्ट अ रिएक्शन और a slow mo her walking with hair and all, it must be 25-30 minutes.
You know which film kind of like embodied this idea of the the type of heroine you're talking about, plus kind of brought her into the story as well, was Sarfarosh, where Sonali Bendre just plays like this ditzy, I'm just glamorous and I'm here to be your beautiful girlfriend to your ACP Rathod. But then like she kind of also helps him along the way. But it's like
so they would always be the add-on, the sidecar. You know what I mean? To that sidecar. To that bike. They were never the main this. But वो भी change हुआ. Like you had Vidya Balan who was single-handedly
Sulu was phenomenal. बहुत सही लगा.
No, not just that. You had Kahani. You had
Kahani
that
was
one.
great.
You had Dirty Picture.
By then you had I mean, what was
you had the Taboos, the Madhuri Dixit.
I was coming to them. Madhuri Dixit did that film, no? Even there. So I mean, you had, but I'm saying like that whole 80s, the 80s and the 90s literally didn't have. I mean, you had Roop Ki Rani Choro Ka Raja, which had like a
which
genuine
is their biggest flop till date.
But
डूब गया उसके बाद.
Correct. You had that. Then you had, like, I want to say Chandni was a very heavy female centric story.
No, you had Damini also. You had like you had the on off movie here and there. साल में एक movie होगा.
वही गिन के साल में मिलता था. वरना
it's now I think it's becoming better, right? Like for example, Taapsee Pannu, some of the roles she's done
Yeah.
Pink, Badla, all of that.
Yeah.
It's fucking phenomenal.
Yeah.
And, you have now you're starting to see the scope of great writing, and I feel like good writing is independent of who's the lead. You're going to see a movie. If it's a guy,
like
girl,
you look at
doesn't fucking
Piku,
matter.
you look at Piku, Deepika has
Yeah.
killed it, dude, in that
Yeah.
film. Like she's destroyed it in that film. But yeah, I mean, there's a lot of these.
The medium also
gems.
encourages it. No, the internet medium also, like the whole web series medium encourages this. So I think writing will end up taking the will be like upstairs.
What do you guys think are some of the newer stereotypes? See, a lot of what we've spoken about has been in Bollywood.
But you can't call it a
50s,
stereotype, no?
60s.
Like
Why?
No, you can.
Excessive
If it's
pandering.
new,
you
if
can.
it's new, how can
Pandering
you?
seems to be a stereotype. Pandering is a new stereotype to a certain degree, not just
Like what kind
naturally
of
letting. Pandering in the sense you can't separate the artist from the context. If a guy is playing a certain character, then the actor playing that character is held accountable for what the dialogue of
Oh,
that
you
character
mean like
was.
what's that
ये
movie?
क्या complicated sentence था अदर?
You're basically
मेरे को
talking
समझा एक
about
मिनट.
that child
Yeah.
movie, na? What is that fucking movie called? Kabir Singh.
Huh. Kabir Singh. And I think that's the director's fault, where the director actually shared the views of that lead, whatever that character. That's a separate issue altogether. I don't know how that translates onto Shahid playing that character. I fail to comprehend that. Like he was
Right.
just playing an asshole of a character. At no point did he say that this is how this is supposed to happen. Like
So,
it's
As an
like saying
actor,
video
he
games.
shouldn't be blamed for the character, right? Essentially, like you don't.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
unless he goes out, unless he goes out like that director of that film who went out and said that this is how women need to be treated. Yeah, then fucking reprimand the director.
Correct.
But other than that, it's nothing to do with Shahid.
I mean, yeah,
He
that
just
way, if
made
you
it.
looked at it, then people should be like beating up Amrish Puri on the street.
Oh, God.
Which will be a little tough to do now. Being as how.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, but some of the newer stereotypes, right, that you're talking about.
Hmm.
Like, I feel like one is that Ranbir Kapoor ka naya aa gaya hai na.
Can I tell
coming
you
of
a
age.
writing stereotype that is now
हाँ.
starting to irritate me?
Bol?
And it's starting to irritate me for the last fucking 2 years now.
Say.
And I see
What?
one more, and then people is this thing which starts off in today, and then there'll be 20 years later, 6 months earlier,
But
4
bro,
months.
20 saal baad is a Bollywood stereotype.
Yeah.
I
Like
understand.
whenever there is a jump.
No, but
in
this is
time,
not a
it's
writing.
always-
Say. Give
this is
example,
a-
Baba. Tell.
this is a
Example
writing
of a
stereotype
recent
that-
example.
No, I'm saying it's there in every fucking film, and we've still not gotten away from it. I'm saying it's there in Dil Chahta Hai. Dil Chahta Hai is a flashback. Okay, Rockstar is a flashback. Fucking half these damn things are all flashbacks. Why can't you just tell a story in linear time, dude? Like fucking do it. No, start it today. No, why are you doing this?
Start
50
it
saal
today.
pehle, 6 mahina
But it's a
pehle.
screenplay.
No,
it's a
I'm
screenplay.
I'm all for non-linear narrative. Maja aata hai.
No, I'm all for
Yeah.
non-linear narrative, but then don't do this fucking ugly trope of I don't have the ability to do exposition, so I will write it into the dialogue, or I'll write it into a fucking chyron. Are you mad? Just fucking write the
Chyron.
exposition correctly. No? Like, shoot, yeah.
Wow.
But really, no, they're writing it into a chyron. That's what they're doing.
Baba so angry at Chirons.
और उधर
Chyron is super,
उधर-
guys.
उधर-
Chyron is super.
उधर पौलाद सोच रहा है कि मैंने क्या किया है यार.
Yeah. Or I was going to go for Chiron Advani.
Yeah.
Guys, chyron is a super.
और तू है मेरी कायरन.
So no, this trope
And
is
it was a
genuinely.
Chiron because it was a super on his chest.
Sorry. So I'm saying this trope really needs to change.
One other trope that is it's a recent trope, which is take South Indian successful movie and redo it.
No, that's not
It's not
recent.
new.
That
That's
is
not-
that is wanted.
That is what I'm
Yeah.
saying. It's
What?
Bhai.
That is
Bhai ki
Dayavan.
picture.
Dayavan is
No,
Godfather.
Dayavan also. Okay.
हाँ अबे वो आया और गया बीच में and then Salman brought it back. There have been a lot of movies which have been like remakes of South Indian movies, but that
Yeah.
massive spate was all Salman.
It's Salman and Prabhudeva in conjunction.
हाँ bro, literally.
Apparently, at any given point of time, Salman and his the production company owns the rights to about 30 Tamil movies. This is what I've been told. at any given point of time. They're just picking scripts and buying the rights.
I mean, but वो भी stereotype हो गया था. तू भट्ट movies देख. 4 Korean movies लेके ऐसे इकट्ठा करके DVD देने बोलते चल जा बना के.
With great copied music from Pritam.
You know, and the beauty of Bhatt stereotypes, right? Bhatt camp stereotypes is that one movie, Murder, is a copy of Unfaithful, and Murder 2 is a copy of
some other
separate movie altogether. But in our universe, those two movies that would never have anything in common are sequels. It's insane. It's insane.
Dude, एक और stereotype जो आज के इसमें है, which is the Anand Rai thing, right? Which is that now we'll all like now it's the small town story time, right? अब सब like यूपी के एक गांव में एक ये है, and it's a story about that.
Yeah.
And this
I
is
mean,
a
new cultural stereotypes so exist, right? Punjabis in any movie, loud, ये पी रहा है, लस्सी पी, खाना खा. You know,
but that's I think still I don't think that that's a new stereotype. If you're looking
I'm not
at
saying it's a new stereotype. I'm saying cultural stereotypes have always been there.
Dude, the Babaji stereotype, dude, which was never played by a Baba. It was always played either by Vivek.
It was Deven
Khote
Deven Verma. Deven Verma, Dinesh Hindu, Vivek Vaswani.
Vivek Vaswani, I remember. These three. Or Asrani in one movie.
ये तीन लोग जो पारसी नहीं है, पारसी play
करेंगे.
Hat pen के. You know, after a point, we've run out of the Punjabi stereotype, right? क्योंकि अभी यशराज और धर्मा ने ले लिया है, वो कर लिया पूरा. So then you have to move elsewhere. तो थोड़ा गुजराती लेके आ. अभी अनुराग कश्यप आया तो वो पूरा यूपी बिहार लेके आ गया. Like
it's not just that.
Karan Johar made an entire song out of it. GUJJU. He's just they're just spelling out the stereotype literally. It's just
dude, the Suraj Barjatia universe we've not spoken about.
Oh yeah,
it's good. Nobody
don't need it.
Also, I think every fifth film in Bollywood has to have a climax at a wedding. That's a rule. Like every fifth film, it has to like
or an airport, whichever is close by to reach.
Yeah, so वो शादी का preparation हो रहा है, फिर शादी में क्या होने वाला है. That is the fucking plot of the movie, right?
No, you know, even depiction of like Muslim characters.
Oh yeah.
Right? Like suddenly एक treasure chest होता है, जिसके अंदर से भर के उर्दू words.
हाँ, उर्दू वर्ड्स आते हैं एंड शुरू में आजान आता है every time he enters the scene. That will be there the moment the character comes.
You know something, one other thing that is always so jarring to me is the fact that your movie is being written by a writer who's clearly not of the caliber of Gulzar, right? So your character is speaking in this tapori fucking Mumbai Lokhandwala script writer thing, but when he starts singing, he's like Guftagu, Alfaz. Like तू कहाँ से सीखा? कैसे सीखा तू? तू अभी आरेला चारेला कर रहा था, dude. कहाँ से सीखा ये?
No, but that also Amir has nailed, no? With like Ati Kya Khanda.
No, but that is also Imran Hashmi. That also Imran Hashmi. एक कोई सूफी गाना. ठीक है, तो पूरे पिक्चर में नॉमिन है और suddenly
वो lip sync क्या करता है? Imran Hashmi never lip syncs the songs. He's just like बीच में कहीं दो लाइन कर देता है.
Lip the song. Yeah. हल्दी माँ चला है नहीं जानती थी हल्दी हो क्या?
हल्दी हवन.
You know, this is how nascent our sexual liberation has been. That there was an actor who was just known for kissing. Oh shit, kiss करता है, oh fuck.
But even he became a parody of himself after that. Then there were movies where that became a joke, right? Like Sunny Deol yelling in a movie then became a joke. Salman shirt going, he became very self-referential.
Shahrukh raising his arms.
Shahrukh doing this became self-referential. Imran Hashmi
Salman
kissing.
removing his shirt.
सब एक गोल घूम के वही हो गया.
दोस्तों एक और ट्रेंड जो बंद होना चाहिए is this fucking remaking of movies. जुड़वा 2.
Remaking of songs.
Yeah, remaking songs.
So give it a year and a half. Then after that you can.
अरे dude, कूली वूली सब आ गया है dude. क्या?
Bro, you know what?
I saw a Lucky Ali video.
अभी जो उसने परसों डाला.
Yeah, and somebody tweeted this. I don't remember who who it is. If you guys know, then put it down. It's like, thank God for all the shit we gave Bollywood. Thank God they've not tried to remake a Lucky Ali song.
Yeah.
It's actually
Give it
You've just given them an idea. That's the problem.
Dude,
The
this
minute
was
you
the
came
first
up with
comment.
it, I'm
This
telling
was
you,
literally the first comment I
the next
deleted.
5 movies are going to have Lucky Ali singing a song.
Yeah.
Uh,
Oh,
You
Sanam
know,
via
I
Neha
talked about
Kakkar.
remaking songs. I recently read about some couple songs that made me feel super old. Like तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त का भी remake आ गया है.
Hmm. Yeah.
That's just suddenly थे मतलब ये तो अभी
अभी
मतलब
था.
like
90s.
90s का गाना late 90s के गाने भी remake हो रहे हैं.
Hey, dude, it's going to reach a point where a hero will do a film, it will flop, and then the next film he'll do is a remake of that film.
Which Ram Gopal Verma did do.
Oh, correct. Yes, that's right.
Bro, even him, like he also
Okay.
what he was again तू
Turned
वो
into a
same चीज
stereotype of
करके तू वापस अपना ही parody बन गया.
Yeah,
मतलब तू कितना
नाक
शॉट
में कैमरा डालेंगे
नाक में
Just no, but there's a ton of these. I'm just trying to think of like anything that's an absolutely new trend, which really I think like in an
The
edit format.
Bhojpuri Bihari trend.
I think like in an
trend that
edit
started-
thing, this thing needs to stop. This
What edit thing?
sudden ramping of shots which they
What?
do.
Which
to-
one? Like for
No,
example,
they
it goes
shoot it on the
slow and
board.
then
They
zoop
shoot it on the board. तो उसमें अगर तू ऐसा किया ना ये तेरा एक्शन है. वो कैमरा आएगा थाप 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 थाप. So
Yeah,
it will
but
just go
then-
in like almost like bullet
I'm
time,
saying-
but still going far.
Yeah, but you're talking about anything that's shot with precision. I'm talking about even in an edit when they want to jump time when a car is driving, they'll suddenly make the car drive fast, like they'll ramp up the shot. It's
Yeah.
not
Correct.
it's not a technique. They've not shot it on a bolt. They'll just ramp up the shot and get to he's reached his destination. So laude cut karna. Why is that? Why are you wasting those 3 seconds?
ये भी बाबा तेरा पर्सनल कुछ पेट पीव.
No, dude. They started this
Which-
trend, dude. It's there in fucking all of these fucking new.
sending subtle
fucking
messages
films.
to
It's
your
so
editor or
irritating.
something using the
No,
podcast.
dude, it's very irritating. Like just because you want to add, like it's just like वो तेरे को एक चाहिए ना वो. तेरे को याद है वो? There was this one time where Sandeep Chauta used to do all background scores.
yeah.
But for Ramu movies.
Only Ramu.
है पर धंधा है ये.
But he was too good.
Yeah.
Even Salim Sulaiman
This
used to
trend.
do background, no, earlier.
Yeah.
Before they graduated to.
All of them. Preetham.
Before they graduated to judging.
Yeah.
That is the ultimate goal for
एक
any
और था जो
musician
करता था
today.
रंजीत बारोट. वो भी करता था बहुत
Dude,
background.
Ranjit Barrot was great.
So I think, guys, we've covered a lot of stereotypes. I'm pretty sure there's a million more, which dear viewers will let us know in the comment section. और अगर अच्छा
As they
bunch
do.
मिला that we missed out on, फिर हम करेंगे part 2 या नहीं, ये पता नहीं.
That is
देखेंगे.
our
Who knows?
stereotype.
Dude, ये already ये हम लोग करेंगे part 3 क्योंकि ये episode कुछ ज्यादा ही लंबा है.
हाँ
Yeah.
ठीक है ना, कंप्लेन नहीं कर रहे लोग फिलहाल तो. Alright, that was it from this episode of the Internet Said So. We were discussing Bollywood stereotypes. If you think we missed out on any, please let us know in the comment section. And if you find a good bunch, we'll do it again, like I said. Yeah, and that's it for this episode,
Please,
guys. Thank
please
you for
like,
watching.
please subscribe, please share, please do these
Yeah.
things.
क्योंकि थोड़े टाइम से हमारे व्यूज पूरे हाफ हो गए, पता नहीं क्यों.
And
हमने
join
क्या किया है?
and join our Discord servers.
Join our Discord and please share, yeah, share as much as you possibly
and
can.
also
Guys, yes.
put on
Please subscribe,
Reddit and
like,
do all of that. No, enjoy.
Reddit पे
Share this with
follow,
as many people. Share it
Instagram
on
पे
your
follow
Instagram,
करो.
please, guys.
Also, I'm just so glad
Yeah,
that we don't have any stereotypes.
Loudy.
AIDS pulao, AIDS masala.
Other, we were all doing our own stereotypes. Why didn't you do your own? You should have said, I have a fact. no?
Nine.
Yeah, you should have said
Guys, I have a fact.
some random shit.
I have a fact. Did you
Kunal
know
Khemu
that
in
Shakti
the
Kapoor has worn nadas in precisely 5 Bollywood movies?
By the way,
Nice.
the one stereotype fact जो मैंने
Shakti
सोच के
Kapoor.
रखा था was a question in a quiz I had done कि संजय दत्त ने भाई कितने टाइम प्ले किया है बॉलीवुड मूवी.
Oh, must be
और
46
जब ये
times.
क्विज था तभी 46 था आंसर.
Oh,
या
Whoa.
और ये बहुत टाइम पहले था. I was in
I'll ask
college.
you,
बड़ा
I'll ask you a
मटका।
question. चालबाज में शक्ति कपूर का नाम बल्मा है. उसका actual full form क्या है?
Balmendra or Mahindra.
उसका फुल फॉर्म तो पता नहीं लेकिन बाबा तू बूढ़ा है
बलमेश,
इतना.
बलमेश।
No, he actually says it. He actually says it. He introduces himself as Battuknath Lallan Prasad Malpani.
Oh, yeah.
Balma.
I remember that.
That's what he does.
Arey, we
By
haven't
May-
done Baba
May
Buddha in a
meetings
long
are
time, dude.
बाबा बुड्ढे. We'll do
We should
that
bring that back.
very soon. Actually, Baba's himself doing it. Now we don't even have to say Baba.
Yeah, that's how he killed it, no?
Guys, मुझे बताओ कि आखिरी रास्ता में शमी कपूर ने
नहीं आखिरी रास्ता अमिताभ बच्चन guys.
Exactly, क्योंकि तू बूढ़ा है बाबा तेरे को मालूम है. हाँ
आखिरी रास्ता.
आखिरी रास्ता.
चल सही है, मजेदार.
मैं समझ रहा हूँ लेकिन जैसे ही तू बोलता है लेट्स बिगिन द एपिसोड तेरा इंटरनेट हगने लगता है.
अरे
So it is great. You should just start it.
Okay. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Said So, a show.
How Baba
is
called
it
it,
possible?
man.
It's
Baba
impossible.
called it.
It happens every
I
time.
am Varun,
सब बंद किया, मेरे Wi-Fi भी बंद किया.
you are sitting in the main metropolis of the. I am sitting in the mountains, and my internet is better right now than yours.
I just want to also point out, please look at Adar Malik for 30 seconds.